22, 1 week after. List matter on 14th December
Hon'Ble.
for filing agenda.
Well, item 44, ma'am.
44.
44, I have already intimated other side. In course of the day, I am filing rejoinder affidavit. ma'am.
Okay, Lord, consider the petitioner 6 weeks time to file the rejoinder list matter on 15th December.
Well, Lord, I may be pardoned one thing. I could not follow up the page mentioned. At the item 11, I have mentioned the WPC number 13303, but it inadvertently it listed 13,302 ହେଇଯାଇଛି 303 matter ଟା ଆସିବ ଅଲଗା case ଟା ଆସିଯାଇଛି, that is not related to this case.
Today,
That is at item 11. ସେଟା delist ହେଇକି the matter 13,303.
I like the way. Follow it. What do you say?
Sir.
Read it. Next.
Obliged.
December 2nd, 3rd week.
Sir.
Yes,
Item number 1.
one.
But one of my check has been stolen.
So Ashwini Kumar Das and Ashwini Kumar Das, who are you then? You are Ashwini Kumar Das.
Correct.
Who are personally କରିଛନ୍ତି? କଣ ହେଇଛି? Sorry? Mike take
Sir, I went to NCase 1 lakh, rupees 1 lakh by check to Corporation Bank, some GM College branch, somewhere. On the way, whether we are missing somewhere or somebody stolen, I want to identify.
କେମିତି ନଉଥିଲେ ଆପଣ? ସ୍କୁଟରରେ?
ହଁ
ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ?
ऊपर मैं स्कूटर ମୁଁ ତ ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ଚଲେଇ ଜାଣେ ସ୍କୁଟର ଯାଉଥିଲି ସାର୍ ऊपर ସ୍କୁଟର ଯାଉଥିଲି ମୋ ଘରୁ ହାର୍ଡଲି ହାଫ କିଲୋମିଟର ହବ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ऊपर
କୋଉଠି ପଡିଗଲା?
ପଡିଗଲା କୋଉଠି କି ନେଇଗଲା କଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗଲା ପାଖେ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆର ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆର ହାର୍ଡଲି 10-12 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଥିବ
10-12 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପରେ?
ହଁ ଖୋଜାଖୋଜି କଲି ଭଲ ଘର ପୁରା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଖରାପ ଲାଗଲା ଟିକେ ବସିଲି ତାପରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗଲା ସେ ଭିତରେ
Sorry? Your check has been encased by somebody. ଆପଣ ସାଇନ୍ ଫାଇନ୍ ମାରିକି ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
ସାଇନ୍ ଖାଲି ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ପେଜଟା ସାଇନ୍ କରିଦେଲା ରିସିପ୍ଟ ସାଇଡ୍ କିଛି କରିନଥିଲେ ଖାଲି ସାଇନ୍ କରିକି ଯାଉଥିଲି
But even ଆପଣ front page ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଥରେ ସାଇନ୍
ନାଇଁ
କରିବେ?
ଆରଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ସାମ୍ନା କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେପଟେ କିଛି କରିନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟଟା ଦସ୍ତଖତ ଦେଇକି କରିକି ଧରିକି ଯାଉଥିଲି
ସେଟା ସେ ନେଇକି ପଳେଇଲା?
ହଁ ସେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ବି ମୁଁ କରିନି
କିଏ ନେଲା ସେ ଲେଡିଟା? ରୀତାରାଣୀ ଭୋଇ?
ହଁ
କିଏ ସେ?
ସିଏ ମୋର ଘରୁ ହାର୍ଡଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନେବର ଆପଣ ପାଖାପାଖି ଲୋକ?
ଟିକେ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ହୁଏ 300
ଫେର କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା?
ତାକୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦେଲେ ଫେରୁନି ସେ ପଇସା ଫେରାଇବାର ନାହିଁ
ସିଆରଏଲ ବି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଫେଲ କରିଛି?
ତାପରେ 1cc କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିଦେଲି
ତାପରେ
ସେ 1cc କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ୍ କଲା ସେ କୋର୍ଟ ସେଣ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ ଫର ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ
ତାପରେ
ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ସେ କଲେଜ ଫାଇନାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରିକି ଆସେ ଫାଇନାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରିକି
କ୍ଲୋଜର ରିପୋର୍ଟ?
ହଁ
କଣ
the ISA the ISA
କ୍ଲୋଜର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରେ କଣ ଲିଖିଛନ୍ତି?
I have not seen the ISA asked me actually like
where is the closure report or any report? You are challenging what then?
challenging this forwarding of 153 to this yes matter. Well, I have paid the court, sir. Let me be examined, and thereafter I will filing summons to the bank manager and the encasing clerk.
So, can examine call it?
The SDM confirmed the full matter and sent me for 156 for investigation. Therefore, I put this on the report.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଇଏ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ତାକୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ନୋଟିସ୍ ବି ଲେଖିଦେଲେ did reply.
Let notice go and see that.
Yes, sir. Notice देला पर भी फ्री नहीं है फिर तब नोटिस रजिस्टर में तो रिफ्यूज हो रहा है रजिस्टर में प्रोटेस्ट पिटीशन कितने फाइल करने
प्रोटेस्ट फाइल कर लेनी
मतलब এটা অলরেডি কমপ্লায়েন্ট যে 150 সফর 3টা হিগে একটা হিগে 4টা রিপোর্ট হিগে তো দিস অলরেডি নো মোর অলরেডি কমপ্লায়েন্ট বর্তমানে আমাদের ফাইনাল রিপোর্ট হলো
नोटिस को पैसा फ्री दो या नोटिस को पैसा फ्री दो नहीं नोटिस को पैसा फ्री दो
एते दूर कला पैसा फेरेला अपन नोटिस को पैसा फेरेला हां
मैडम आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस
फेरवार तक केबे फेरे सेसन
मैं आई एक्सपेक्ट दिस ऑन कोर्ट से फेरी से दो पैसा
अच्छा
कोई हां
तो नोटिस जाऊ ताले
बढ़िया
you I want you to get the money. Okay, let notice be issued. And the petitioner has filed the application under section 401 of CRPC challenging the order passed by the SDGM Sambalpur dated 19/6/2007 in ICC, the 1CC case number 277/2017, directing the IAC Town Police Station Sambalpur to register a case under section 156(3) of CRPC without conducting the inquiry under section 202 of CRPC. And the petitioner is constrained to approach this court according to the issue notice to the opposite party number kete? True. Ritarani Ghosh. हाँ? वो हस्बैंड का ना कहीं लिख दिया रिटर्निंग घोष तो लिख भी ओपन पटना 2 ऐसे एड्रेस बता by registered post ला let notice be issued to the opposite party number 2 by registered post which party 1 waves of moon waves of notice for opposite party number 1 list the matter on 12th December. Next.
Item 2. Please, your lordship. Lordship, this case of 138 of enactment, the order dated 18/5/2023 is under challenge, my lord, annexure 1.
The evidence has been closed.
My lord,
Argument is over.
the defense, the London court below has closed the defense, my lord. Because this is a matter arising out of civil dispute. After receiving the money, the landlord executed the sale deed in favor of the petitioner, my lord. Thereafter, there was some dispute in between the co-sharers of the opposite party, and they filed a civil suit for cancelling
Why
of this.
come here? Tell me.
Because, my lord, the defense evidence, unless the defense is not evidence, shall not be
And
adduced.
what is your what are you challenging here?
My lord, I have challenged the annexure 1 because the learned court below has closed the defense. If the defense will not be adduced, the material facts will not come to the knowledge of the court because civil dispute is there, my lord.
ଆପଣ ତ 9 ଥର adjournment କରିକି କରିଥିବେ 9 ଥର adjournment କେତେ ଥର ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଟାଇମ opportunity ଦବ ସେ
ମାନେ ତା ଦେହରେ
ସେ ଠିକ order pass କରିଛି
ତା ଦେହରେ ଦେଶ
ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଖାଲି ଟାଇମ ପରେ ଟାଇମ ନେଇଯିବ କୋର୍ଟ କୋର୍ଟ order pass କଲା
ନାଇଁ in between ତା ଭିତରେ ବି ଆମେ ତାକୁ
I am not bothered about independent
my lord in between negotiation ତା ଭିତରେ ହେଇକି ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଆମେ civil suit ଉଠେଇଦେବୁ ଆମେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାକୁ
doing sir he has rightly passed the order I am not going to interfere sorry
my lord one prayer my lord in between we have paid already 6 lakhs to
whatever you have paid you just decide among yourself I am
Seda unless it will be exhibited how the judgment
why
will
you have taken 9 adjournment then sufficient opportunity was given to you you have not availed the opportunity then you lose the
କେତେ ସମୟ court adjourn ହୋଇଛି ଆଉ କେତେ ସମୟ ମୋ ଦେହ ଖରାପ so one opportunity may be given
ଆପଣଙ୍କ behest ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ behest every time ଆପଣଙ୍କ behest ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଫିର ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏତେ sincere ଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ କାଇଁ କଲେନି ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଦେଲା ଯାଇଗଲେ ତମେ
ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ one opportunity may be given
ଦିଆହେବନି ସରି
ନାଇଁ ତାକୁ already my humble submission my lord ଆମେ in between ତାକୁ 6 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା payment କରିଦେବୁ
whatever you do I am this bothered about all these things my here the question is whether you should be granted or not in between our 6 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 8 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ settle କରନ୍ତୁ ଆମକୁ କଣ କହିବାର ଅଛି କିଛି କହିବାନି ଦେଖ
one chance may be given one last chance may be given your lordship
after perusing the case record and the order passed by the learned SDGM Bhubaneswar it has been clearly mentioned in the order that the petitioner the petitioner has taken 9 numbers of adjournments and because of that the case was delayed when there was so much opportunity was available to the petitioner he did not avail the opportunity to examine the defense witnesses hence the court has rightly rejected his what is that rejected the ICC number 1535 of 2014.
My lord, one submission, my lord.
Yes.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଜି ଟାଇମ ଅଫ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ ଆମେ ତାକୁ 24 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ତାପରେ 6 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ଏତେ ପଇସା ଦବା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ବି
I am not tasked with how much money you have.
my lord, I have annexed the annex of 3 your lordship may see.
सर आप जदि एते अछि आपन भीतर कथार्थ खत्म कर दुनाती मेडिसिन कर खत्म कर दे तो काय कोर्ट को चिंता
The mediation
then go to the mediation then. I am not going to interfere. This is a criminal case, revision case. And why, how much money you have paid, not paid, why should I go into all these things? According to the court has rightly rejected.
sir मैं direct to come to the mediation my lordship may direct one chance my humble prayer.
Dispose of. However, if the petitioner so wants, the petitioner may approach the which court? Bhubaneswar.
My lord, Bhubaneswar.
The mediator of the district court Bhubaneswar or the High Court Mediation Center for amicable settlement. According to disposal. Next, tell.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
Three.
May impugned order is annexed 3 passed by the Learned National Session Judge Women's Court Burgard rejecting the petition under section 227 CRPC filed by the petitioner for discharge for the commission of offence under section 306 and other alleged
What is
offences.
the story? Tell me first.
Yes, your lordship. The present informant is the father of the student of who was reading a +2 science in a residential college.
Why not reading, sir? You are studying. Don't say
Studying,
reading and
sir.
studying, there are difference. Reading means I am reading now.
Sir,
Studying means pursuing a course.
pursuing the +2 course in that.
Studying. Don't say
yes, sir.
reading. ओडिया रे पढ़ुची वाला इंग्लिश भी पढ़ुची जोनी.
Mane 18 to 2019 in that hostel, a birthday ceremony of one Vidyadhar Seth was celebrated of the upstairs of the building. On very fateful day, the son of the deceased here, that is in the room a mobile.
Son of the deceased. Okay. Son of the deceased.
Father of the son, the deceased son of the deceased son.
Petitioner's son.
No, petitioner's not son. The informant's
Petitioner then.
petitioner he was the principal of the said college.
This is the petitioner.
Principal. See hostel on that day birthday ceremony छात ऊपर upstairs रे करूथिले से दिन ता रूम रो गोटे मोबाइल चोरी हे गला हला परे जे वार्डन थिले तांको प्रिंसिपल को कहले जे एटा चोरी हेची पार्टी मोटे पिला माने करूछंती सेही डेट रे से माने कहले जे हमें 3 दिन टाइम दोछु तम मान के मोबाइल नैछि तमे तांको रिटर्न करि दियो जार चोरी हेछि ताको पिला को फेरई दियो किंतु ऑन दैट देलेनी किंतु प्रिंसिपल कहले जदी न देबे हमें से पिला को हमें जदी रस्टिकेट करिवु बा ताको कॉलेज रु बाहर कर देबु पेरेंट्स को इंटिमेट आल्सो करी के बाहर करिवु बोले या कहले कहला परे से एटा होची दैट इज द 19th 18th रे इंसिडेंट हला राती रे 20 तारीख से कह कले ना से निजे जो द सन ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मेंट हियर हैज कमिटेड सुसाइड बाय टेकिंग पॉइजन योर लॉर्डशिप thereafter FIR has been lodged against the present petitioner principal and warder of the principal, second item, next item, and other 2 juveniles of the roommate in the deceased जोड़ी रहुथिले तार roommate दी जण minor juvenile.
What is the reason for the suicide?
जे ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ जो juvenile କହିଲେ ଯେ ତୋର father को parents को खबर देबे ते कॉलेज रु रस्टिकेट कर देई पारंती आउ एथि ए हला परे से पिला अप्रेहेंड करी की जे मते इन्फेरियर लागिवो जे पिला फ्रंट मते रस्टिकेट कर देबे एने मरे लज्जित हो बोली सी तारी माने ये सी ये से टेकिंग पॉइजन एंड कमिट माने सकम टू डेथ व्हाइल वाज अंडरगोइंग ट्रीटमेंट इन भुवनेश्वर आमरी हॉस्पिटल ट्रीटमेंट चलतला से एक्सपायर करियला से पिलाटा thereafter FIR has been registered and UD case has been registered in before the under the Khandagiri police station, thereafter under the seed Burgard. Accordingly petition was on bail. Now the charge has been framed under 306 and 294 and other alleged offences, your lordship.
Against the petition.
Against present petitioner and another warder of the college and 2 juveniles, your lordship. Accordingly, the counsel for the petitioners filed in petition for discharge before the Learned Trial Court on the grounds the abatement, the ingredients of the offence abatement is not fulfilled. So abatement of suicide is not fulfilled कारण principal से very much नथिले on the सेमाने पाइला पर जेहेतु मोबाइल चोरी से पार्टी होई छै सेमाने टाइम देले जे जो माने जे पिला नै थिबो स्मूथली ताको रिटर्न कर दियंतु ए हबो तापर न देले से कहले जे हम ए स्ट्रिंजेंट एक्शन नबु बा रस्टिकेट कर दबु बा इंटिमेशन दबु पिला को
ये चोरी कर दिला लडा ପିଲାଟା ନେଇଥିଲା ମୋବାଇଲ।
ସେଇଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପିଲାଟା ସେଇ ରୁମ ରୁ ଚୋରି ହେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ପିଲା ନେଇଛି ବୋଲି ଆପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସନ ଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଯେ ସେ ପିଲାଟା ମୋବାଇଲ ଟାକୁ ସେ ରଖିଥିଲା ବୋଲି ଇଏ ଅଛି ବିଫୋର ଲର୍ନ ଇନ୍ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ
Other two colleagues also they said something to the boy deceased.
ହଁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ
ତାଙ୍କର 161 statement ନେଇଥିଲେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ସୁସାଇଡ କଲା ରିଜନ ତ ଜଣା ପଡୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ସୁସାଇଡ କଲା ତାପରେ ସେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଏକ୍ୟୁଜ ହବ କି ନ ହବ ସେଟା କହିବ।
ହଁ ହଁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ରାଇଟ ୟୁ ଲର୍ଡ
That's right, ତ read that.
ମୁଁ ପଢୁଛି 161 statement ସେଟା ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟର 164 statement ମୁଁ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ପଢୁଛି
Read it.
ମୁଁ +2 ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଛାତ୍ର ଅଛି ମୁଁ ରାଜେଶ ସାହୁ ହୃଦାନନ୍ଦ ମାଝୀ ଓ ଦେବନାରାୟଣ ସାହୁ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହୋଇ ଏଇ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ରହୁଥିଲୁ +2 ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ବର୍ଷ ପିଲା ଅଜୟ ପ୍ରଧାନ ତାର ମୋବାଇଲ +2 ପ୍ରଥମ ବର୍ଷ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ରୁମରେ ଚାର୍ଜରେ ବସେଇଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଚୋରି ହୋଇଥିଲା ତେଣୁ +2 ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ବର୍ଷ ପିଲା ଆଉ +2 ପ୍ରଥମ ବର୍ଷ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ତାଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଝଗଡା ହେଉଥିଲା ଝଗଡା
+2 ପିଲାମାନେ ସବୁ
+2
they're not they are all major
ମାଇନର ଜୁଭେନାଇଲ
juvenile କଣ 17 ବର୍ଷ ପିଲା
17 ବର୍ଷ ପିଲା ଭିତରେ
about to be major
ସେମାନେ ରଡାକିଲା ହଉଥିଲେ ମାନେ ପାଟିମୁଣ୍ଡ ହଉଥିଲେ
I understand that Radha.
ଆମେ ଉପରକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲୁ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକାଇଲୁ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ବିଦ୍ୟା ସେଠ ଆମକୁ କହିଲା ଯେ 12 ବଜେ କୁଆଡେ ଅଛି ଆସିବ ଆମେ 11:50 ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ରୁମକୁ ଗଲୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ବର୍ଷ ପିଲାମାନେ ମିଟିଂ କରୁଥିଲେ କଣ ଲାଗି ମିଟିଂ କରୁଛୁ ପଚାରିଲୁ ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ଜଣେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଚୋରି କରିଛି ଜଣକୁ ଲାଗି ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଗାଳି ଖାଉଛୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ପିଲା ଚୋରି ହେଲା ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ସେଥିଲାଗି ମିଟିଂ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ରାଜେଶ କହିଲେ କି ଚୋରି କଲେ କିଏ ତେଣୁ ହୁଦା କୁଦା କର ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଓଡିଆରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ହୁଦା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତାପରେ ଆମେ ବାର୍ଥଡେ କଲୁ ଆମେ 4 ଜଣ ଆମ ରୁମ କୁ ଆସିଲୁ ତା 20/9/2019 ତାରିଖ କଲେଜ ପରିସରରେ ମିଟିଂ କରାଗଲା ମିଟିଂରେ ଆମେ କଲେଜରେ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ଏବଂ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ବିଭାଗର ସମସ୍ତ ଛାତ୍ର ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିଲେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ କୌଣସି ଛାତ୍ର ହୁଡାକୁଦା କରିଥିବା ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିଲେ ନାହିଁ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ପଚାରିବା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ତାପରେ ମିଟିଂ ସମାପ୍ତ ହେଲା ମିଟିଂ ଶେଷ ହେବାର କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ବର୍ଷ ଛାତ୍ର ପ୍ରୀତମ ସାହୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ବର୍ଷ ଛାତ୍ର ସାର୍ଥକ ଦେବତା ପୁଣି ଥରେ ସାର୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିଲେ ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ମିଟିଂ ହେଲା ଓ ମିଟିଂରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏପରି ଭୁଲ ନ କରିବାକୁ ମାନେ ଯିଏ ମରିଲେ ପଇସା ମାଗିଲେ ଗଲେ ତ ମତେ 400 ଟଙ୍କା ମାଗିଲା ମୁଁ ରାଜେଶ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଗଲୁ ସେଇଠି ସେ ମୋ ଠାରୁ ମୋର ପର୍ସ ନେଲା ଆଉ ମତେ କହିଲା ତୁ ଚା ଦୋକାନରେ ଥା ମୁଁ କାମ ସାରି ଚା ଦୋକାନକୁ ଯାଉଛି ତାର କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ସେ ମତେ ଡାକିଲା ଓ ହାତରେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଧରିଥିଲା ଆମେ ହଷ୍ଟେଲ ଆସିଲୁ ତାପରେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ପଢି ଚାଲିଲୁ 8 ବଜେ ସୁବ୍ରତ ସାର୍ ଆସି ମୋବାଇଲ ଚେକ୍ କଲେ ଓ କହିଲେ ମୋବାଇଲ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କର ତାପରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ମୋବାଇଲକୁ ସବୁ ଜମା ଦେଲେ ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ କି ଏଇ ମୋବାଇଲ ବିନା ଅନୁମତି ରଖୁଛ ତାପରେ ଆମକୁ କହିଲେ ବାବା ସାର୍ ସକାଳେ ବଞ୍ଚେଇ ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ନା ଭାବ କାଲି ଆସିବ କଲେଜ କିଏ ଜାଣିବ ପଢି ସାରି ଆମେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଗଲୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ରାଜେଶ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଗଲା ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲୁ ଯେ କିଛି ସମୟ ପଢିବା ପରେ ରାଜେଶ ବାନ୍ତି କଲା শেখର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିବାକୁ କଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଯଶବନ୍ତ ରାଜେଶକୁ ଧରି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସାର୍ ବଟନୀ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଫୋନକୁ କଲେ ରାଜେଶ ପାଣି ପିଇବାକୁ ମାଗିଲା ମୁଁ ପାଣି ଦେଲି ତାପରେ ସୁବ୍ରତ ସାର୍ ଆସିଲେ ରାଜେଶକୁ ଧରି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଗଲେ the 164 statement of the one of the student of that roommate said border lordship more my responsibility lordship so for one abatement of suicide is concerned the 107 in CRPC is defined IPC is defined so in here is the
what is it defined
yes
what is it
yes abatement of thing a person abates the doing of thing who firstly instigates any person to do that thing or secondly engages with one or more other person or persons in any conspiracy for the doing of that thing if an act or illegal commission of take place in pursuance of that conspiracy in order to the doing of that thing thirdly intentionally acts by any act or illegal omission the doing of that thing That first, second, third. That is my explanation also.
Yes.
That is the 107 is defined, and there is three first, second, third is these are the ingredients. Here the super-present petitioner is concerned. The ingredients which are defined under section 106 IPC, the petitioner is not come under that purview. But therefore, 306.
What is the finding of that trial court?
And
Page 25.
Let's read that finding.
Right.
The two CCLs, namely Pritabasa and Pritam,
This is the movement
terrified
of
the
that.
deceased by saying that the college authority was going to take stringent action against the wrongdoers, and being shocked on the fear and provocation of the superintendent and the CCL, the deceased consumed poison and vomited. He was shifted to the nursing home of one Sunil Kumar Acharya of Bargarh, and then took Bhimsar and ultimately to Emory Hospital. Bhimsar Banchi is the Emory Hospital.
better treatment ପାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
I've
ଯାହା
seen many people who are very close to me, they have not returned from that hospital. I don't know why people to go there.
better ମାନେ equipped hospital ବୋଲି ତାକୁ survive କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନେଇକି ଗଲେ separate କଲେ ତାର as per the doctor's opinion also.
But ingredient, why the principal should be unnecessarily be, see, as a just disciplinary measure, he might have said, okay, please, those who have taken, please kindly deposit, otherwise I will take strong action. This is general thing.
FIR reveals that there is oral dying declaration of the deceased.
Dying declaration कौन कौन सी?
FIR.
पढ़ा तो dying declaration. अच्छी dying declaration.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ
Oral
ପାଖରେ
dying
ମୋ ପାଖରେ
Oral का पाकरे कोई चीज.
ବାପା ଆଉ ମାନେ ପକେଇ ପାଖରେ କହିଛି
बापा oral dying declaration बापा जोड़ी देबो कौन ଅଛି? बापा को କହିଛି ନା, कोई independent କାହାକୁ କହିଛି କି?
ନା ସିଡି ଆସିଲା ପରେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଆଇଛି ପାଠ ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଦେଖିଛି FIR
Generally, if the case रे बापा माने principal को दोष देबे. Any person who has lost the child, he will be definitely.
Case data नहीं आया whether there is any dying declaration for anybody else.
ठीक है.
So for my instruction is concerned, there is no dying declaration. Yes, Lord, sir.
I don't think it is right to just impute the principal may be imputed, but he cannot be.
ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ କାହିଁକି ବିଷ ଖାଇ ବୋଲି ପଚାରିଲି ପୁଅ କହିଲା ଯେ ବୋଟାନି ଲେକ୍ଚର ସୁବ୍ରତ ଷଡ଼ଙ୍ଗୀ ମତେ ଉଡିଲା ପିଟିଲା ଆଉ ବିଷ ଲଟା ମରା ଔଷଧ ଖାଇବୁ ଦେଇ ତତେ ଜୀବନ ଆଉ ସୁବ୍ରତ ଷଡ଼ଙ୍ଗୀ
Believe me. କାହା ପାଖରେ କହିଛି ସେଟା? ବାପା ପାଖରେ କହିଛି. ବାପା is interested witness.
Emory hospital
interested party. वो independent लोग आगे कहता ना, it can be under the presence of some independent person.
normally dying declaration
Sir, no, dying declaration ହେଲେ କୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉ magistrate ସାମ୍ନାରେ କହିଥାନ୍ତା କି जो concerned doctor ସାମ୍ନାରେ କହିଥାନ୍ତା ବି doctor ପାଖରେ କହିଥାନ୍ତା ବି to some extent is okay. But oral declaration before father, how much it is believed?
part also page 26.
एमती तो स्कूल टीचर मानकर नारे एमती लगेले तो ताले सब टीचर एग्जाम फेल हवा पिला विष खाइबा तार स्कूल टीचर को तुम ये करिवो
That's a pound page 10. A paragraph 10 page 26.
बहुत पिला एग्जाम फेल हेले विष खाइ जाते तार से कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल को सब प्रिंसिपल इंडिया जेल था सेमतिया करा जे कोन स्कूल रे कोना को पिला विष खाइ के मरंती सुसाइड कर दियंती ट्रेन लाइन रे जाके कटि के मर जानती तार से कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल अगेंस्ट केस करा.
Paragraph 10 finding of the impugn order. The IO has also seized one CD containing the confessional statement of the deceased victim from the informant of this case. CD टा record.
सीडी अछि से केमती सीडी कला मोबाइल रे मोबाइल रिकॉर्ड
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଏ କରିଦଉଛି my learned senior submission ରେ କୁ ସିଏ ସେଠି ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ଆମେରିକି ରେଫର ହେଲେ ସେ କୋଉଠି ରେକର୍ଡ କଲେ ସେ ଆଇଓ ରେକର୍ଡ କଲେ जो सीडी कले जो एटा यूडी केस रे सेमति किछि रिवेल्स करूनी
आईओ कोन रेकॉर्ड करिवो आउट आईओ रेकॉर्ड करिवो डिक्लेयर व्हाटएवर इन राइटिंग
को dying declaration record way in presence of doctor
that I know that केमती dying record that I know but question is
this stage whether
कहा सामना रे कहिछि that is more important खाली ता वापस सामना रे कहला वापस सामना रे कहले कोन कहि कोन तार कोन क्रेडेंस अछि अबे this is question of abatement or had it been something different it would be different.
161.
I don't subscribe to the view that the college teachers should be held responsible for such kind of incident. Unless something directly happened. Nothing happened. That is a special case, but not in general case you can blame the teacher. So there are cases and cases.
Yes.
There are circumstances and circumstances. Things can't be for this in the general thing. You can't hold them responsible. So anyway, I'm issuing notice. Issue notice to article.
Not article.
OP number 1234. এটা মানে কি?
Again, article.
The private project party is in there.
এটা কি মানে কি? This is the student, those who are they present there.
Lordship.
Pita versus how?
They were the broader student also, your Lordship.
Why have I made them party?
No, I have not made any party, your Lordship. In
You have
impugned order, there is mentioned they have all are faced the charges.
Oh,
Impugned order, they have faced all.
you have made party to.
I am not. I'm only partying to state, your Lordship, because
Okay, Land Council of the State waves of notice on behalf of the state. Mr. Moon waves of notice on behalf of the state, and he seeks to file the CD case diary. And this is the matter on 5th December.
my IA is, your Lordship.
I for what?
Stay of the further proceeding, your Lordship.
वो CD টা দেখে
Your Lordship, because now the.
না এবার কিছু unless I'm satisfied,
Yes,
I'm
your
still
Lordship.
not satisfied.
In similar,
I want to see
Yes, your Lordship, I have come with a judgment, your Lordship, of this Honorable High Court.
judgment
Same prayer, same allegation, they committed suicide, 306.
ମନା କଲି କି କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ why are you jumping before jumping before anything else you start jumping. Let them, I want to see that CD. So I'm giving this burger now to take for 5 days. So let it come and first.
Till date, your Lordship.
Till that what? They will not take any action. No personal action against the present petition till the next date of hearing. Hala?
I am on bail, but so far proceeding. So
Bail আছে তো কাହିଁ চিন্তা করছো?
proceeding টা ହେଇଯିବ ମୋର ଯୋଉ ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ 306 ଯୋଉ ଚାର୍ଜ ଟା ମୁଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛି ତେଣୁ ସେଠି ମାନେ ଯେହେତୁ
ଏତେ ଦିନକରେ ସବୁ ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
ଟିକେ
Bail ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା ଚିନ୍ତା କରନ୍ତୁ।
अर्जुन पिटिशन फाइल बिफोर
unless I'm hearing a final.
yes that's right your lords no
ହେଇନି ଆଇଲା ପରେ ଦେଖିଲା ପରେ ଜାଣିବି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୋଲ ଟା ଜାଣିନି ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ ମୁଁ ଗେସ୍ କରୁଛି ହେଇନଥିବ ବଟ୍ କଣ ଥିବ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
ସେଇଟା
unless I see the CD the state council is not able to help me then next
item also same is the teacher one
okay next time order next
both are 5th December your lordship both the matters
no 1st December 1st okay next
May I please, Your Lordship?
Next
May I please, Your Lordship? Now
Item
here,
5.
here I'm challenging the order dated 6th of July 2023 and 28th of August
what is the
2023.
issue
Let here the permanent local permanent local adalat in PLA case number 3 of 22
Sir, case
passed-
number
passed
one
an- passed an
issue कौन होते कौन straight come to the issue ये
passed an
permanent
interim
case
order,
3, 4, 5 number गणना लग गया बनी
here the PLA passed an interim order directing to release the vehicle.
Mr. Rai, just tomorrow that will be done. I've completed it. Sorry for that. Sorry for the delay. It will be done tomorrow. Yes. Next.
Interim order has been passed by permanent local adalat without hearing the opposite parties.
Yes.
Directed to release the vehicle.
The
Whereas-
permanent Lok Adalat say to release the vehicle.
By form of interim order, whereas there is no provision.
No provision of interim order.
My
Okay, that's good. The petitioner challenges the correctness of the orders that are passed by the learned prominent Lok Adalat Puri in PLA case number 3 of 2022, wherein the order dated like 6/7/2023 and 28/8/2023, wherein the learned permanent Lok Adalat Puri BD order dated 6/7/2023 passed an interim order directing release of the vehicle and BD order dated 28/8/2023 rejected the petition filed by the petitioner to recall the order dated 6/7/2023. Now the question is basically from where did you get that permanent or Lok Adalat cannot pass interim order? From where did you get?
No, it is to be held up in a spirit of conciliation and
No, I'm
settlement.
asking
Without
you,
hearing my side,
where from you got that the permanent or Lok Adalat cannot pass any interim order? केमती जानले आप?
May I assist him, my lord?
Yes, please.
Here, my lord.
Here with him.
May I assist?
Yes.
Here, my lord, the permanent and continuous.
No, I am just for my knowledge. I don't know.
Or the statute does not prohibit, because that particular forum being created by under the statute.
So does the Constitution of India under Article 226 provides that High Court shall pass interim order, not no interim order final order? Does it?
Lordship.
Does it?
My lord, inherent
226 रे कोड लिखा है जी interim order pass करियो final order pass करियो लिखा है जी.
in the High Court rule, there is a power to pass it.
High Court rule power जी किंतु 226 रे लिखा है जी same thing.
229
सेम थी आपनकर ये परमानेंट लोक द्वारा रूल कोडी अछि जो इंटरिम ऑर्डर पास करि परिनो नाही किछि सेमति गवर्न
there
करिवार.
is no power to pass such an order.
Where is that no
But
power?
in fact, my lord,
I am asking where is that no power? कैन कोड आपण जानले पावर नाही बोली कि सेटा हम पता.
there is no power since there is
एमति
no
कहले हबनी.
नाही
खाता कागज देखेबे एमति खाली कहले हबनी.
थिले कहबी जदि नाही पावर
आपण
टा
रिसर्च
कोड
करि कहंदु. This is interesting question of law.
आगे
हां आपण टिके देखि कहंदु. I am giving you 2 days more time.
ठीक.
Okay. आपण you take I want to know.
that's it.
खाली
Because there is no express provision, because your lordship will to appreciate.
I know that ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି any black and white something. खाली आपण कहले हबनी. Something you give that no, it doesn't have power.
Right.
And we are saying something. Where is the authority? On what basis you are saying something? That must be something, na?
Right.
Okay. So, should I fix it on Monday?
Monday.
Monday. Chutti.
Monday,
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
No problem.
Tuesday. Learn concept of the petitioner is directed to show some authority which reveals that the PLA has no power to pass interim order. Okay. This the matter.
Your
Your voice
lordship
is not audible, sir.
Your lordships fix all the matters to 14th December,
Okay, let this matter be also fixed on 14 December.
the consumer matters.
Yeah.
Along with 37279.
That is also listed today.
No, 37279 was the first case of the batch. Your
Okay.
lordship has directed past order in that case.
Okay.
37279 of 23.
So let it come along with that. 37279.
Four-
37279 of 2023.
Yes, my lord. On 14th December, your lordship fixed.
What is this? Okay.
The consumer matter after
Okay.
return to the Supreme Court.
ठीक ठीक.
And you have to assist your lordship in the last matter, item 5, that PLA matter. I have gone through the one judgment, that is Rekhaben versus Reliance Industries.
What are you saying?
Regarding jurisdiction of the PLA, the item 5 your lordship was asking my friend.
No, I didn't question the jurisdiction.
Interim
I
order.
questioned whether PLA can pass interim order or not. That is the
Yes.
law. That is the
All the aspects are discussed in that by Honorable CJI. by
What is
Justice
the case? Can you tell me?
Reliance Industries versus Rekhaben Rathore. Rekhaben Nareswar Rathore. 2019, my lord.
Rekha Ben.
My lord. Reliance Industry versus Rekhaben.
Okay. Okay. Let them come. We'll see.
Yes, madam.
Thanks for sharing. Next.
Item 7.
7.
My lordship. My lord, it is a matter relating to the ex gratia compensation
Ex gratia compensation for what?
for the
Snake bite.
death of
Snake
the
bite.
my lord.
The report says everything snake bite.
My lord.
So, okay, issue notice. The petitioner is seeking the grant of ex gratia assistance to the petitioner as to the death of a husband due to snake bite.
Okay, Lashman.
Issue notice to the opposite party, 1, 2, 3. Mr. Moon waves of notice on behalf of the opinion 1, 2, 3. Returnable on 6th December. 7th December, sorry, 7th December. Next,
Item 8.
8.
May I please, your lordship? Well, here the petitioner is one of the selectees for the post of Gram Rozgar Sevak, is shortly known as GRS.
Yes.
In 2018, that is 18, annex by the annex 1, there is an advertisement for the post of GRS. The total post was advertised as 60 posts. Annexure 1.
Okay.
Then it selection list was prepared by the annexure 2. But petitioner's name find place in the final select list. He was selected.
Selected, what is his rank? Is it number 1?
No, my lord. My serial at 28.
There are a lot of posts. Okay.
Total for the 60 posts, there are 44 candidates they are selected. My serial number was at serial number 28.
Okay.
All of a sudden, Collector Gajpati cancelled that list without any valid reason or any exigency. That was cancelled. Subsequently, another advertisement was published. Then number of selectees, they approached this honorable court. Finally, the judgment is that annexure.
What happened in that?
Judgment was passed, that was quashed.
What?
The cancellation order and the further
Cancellation
advertisement.
order was quashed.
Quashed.
And the earlier election was
Yes,
maintained.
yes,
That was maintained?
Yes.
Okay, then
That
what happened?
annexure 5 with the judgment I have appended.
Then what happened?
Only I frame a lot. Now they have given appointment to some of the selectees. They have not given me. Only in view of that judgment, I may that the benefit of appointment may be extended to me. That is the only my prayer.
So, Mr. Moon, why this person is not picked up? Why there is a pick and choose method? You have taken some people.
Well, only I frame a lot. Let collector decide in view of the judgment at annexure 5, page 22.
Okay. Lord Counsel, the petitioner submits that the petitioner was selected in response to the advertisement published on 6/11/2018, and he was selected as Gram Rozgar Sevak on contractual basis, under which Panchayat, nothing was
Gajapati district.
in the district of Gajapati. The total number of posts advertised was 60. Pursuant to such and pursuant to this said advertisement, the selection process was the selection committee drawn the list of selected candidates, and the petitioner was number
28 at serial number
28
28.
in the serial number
28 under annexure 2.
and
Eligible candidate.
Eligible. That is selected.
No, final merit.
eligible of selection
Final merit.
final merit कितने number
Maybe 40.
Finally, was selected, my lord.
finally कितने number
मतलब एटा ही से देई चंदी
कितने number
फाइनल लेना
final रे कितने number list
Annexure
लिखला
6, page 36.
मतलब सेटा से लेखिचन जे पब्लिकेशन ऑफ डाटा
की लिखी जंदे आपण तो candidate जानथिबे
से 28 सीरियल है से 28 सीरियल
eligibility list
so
of
44 कैंडिडेट्स हम सिलेक्ट कर चलो से सी दी पेज
44 रे आपण rank केते थिला
28
होती अछि
अच्छा पेज नंबर 15 है
15
मनोरंजन मिश्र पेज नंबर 15 annexure 2.
sir list of eligibility, why are you saying this?
Well, that has
44 application found to be eligible.
Eligible, my lord.
Eligible doesn't mean selected.
finally it was also my lord,
No.
was
Page 36.
No.
Page 36.
Eligibility cannot be selected list. Can't be.
Yes, page 36.
You ask any person, any small school child को पचाली भी से कोई दबो. Eligibility और selection
36
समान हो.
36 रे एमानको ये करचंदी जो पिटिशनर मान
आपका select final list कोडी देखन दे मुझे.
फाइनलिस्ट वाला सही थे रही लॉट्स में रिकॉर्ड भाई I was finally
There must be some final list.
मतलब
How do you know that you are finally selected?
I have not offended that man.
No.
But I was in the
finally देखले आपण attendment आगे कर संदे ताको.
Page 36 from page 36.
अरे 36 टा होची दी पिटिशनर दो जोर आप
देखो जंदे let him. In pursuant to the Hon'Ble High Court of Orissa, so and so, the following candidates
could
are
refer
hereby
question.
intimated to attend so and so, Jilla Parishad Conference Hall, Palakhamandi, for verification of caste certificates. If any candidate fails to receive intimation, letter so and so, so and so. to attend along with all original certificates.
Next option, page 38, final.
Final.
Page 38.
Again, my learned friend has not
Rohan to ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହଉଛନ୍ତି? ଟିକେ let him, he's clarifying something. ଆପଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ କହିଲେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା?
ଭୁଲ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି।
Approval selection committee, the following candidates are hereby selected for this is the final list.
No,
Yes.
this is the 7 name of the candidates, those who had approved the Honorable High Court.
After the High Court order, there was an interview, and in the interview, have you attended?
No, my lord, this is the 7 person
This
candidate.
is not, your eligible list is not the final list. Let me tell you clearly.
Just minute, I am clarifying, my lord. Annexer 6 जो देइचंदी, these 7 persons they have approved this Honorable Court.
I am not on that. I am asking where is the selected list where you have been selected. Show me that. That you are not able to show.
Monday आसो
Monday भी पाइबेनी आपण. नाही तर आपण पाइबे कोड.
नाही अछि तो तक मगेबी पालाखेम मगे
Tuesday आसु.
नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे आसो
पाइबेनी. Next week Tuesday.
अगे से रॉन्गली तक भूल करले जो हाई कोर्ट जो माने 7 जन का अप्रोच करले
मु से भीतर जीवा नाही.
ना आई शो
जानिबी जे आपण थिले ना नाही.
I'll produce
जदि थिले आपण को दिया हैनी ताले I'll pass order.
Other
way should pass order.
I'll produce that man.
हां देखाबे ना हो. सेटा मेन.
नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे आसो
हां आपण एलिजिबिलिटी कैंडिडेट को सिलेक्टेड बोली कहले कि दियो. नेक्स्ट item 9.
Item 9.
On 30th, my lord, after 30th.
29. 29.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this matter, the petitioner challenging the inaction of the opposite parties regarding the marriage assistance under the Nirman Shramik Kalyan Yojana. Your Lordship, last occasion, Your Lordship has directed to take instruction to the opposite party.
You have taken how much amount? 50,000. 50,000. 50,000?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You've got the amount?
Your Lordship,
counter ଟା କରୁଛି ଆଜି ଦେଇଦେବି ଯଦି କହିବେ ନହେଲେ instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି
Instruction ଦେଇ ଦେଲି pass କରି order କଣ
ମଟା counter
instruction थोड़ी बोल ଯଦି ଏଇନା ସବୁ ଆପଣ କହିବେ
ପୁରା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ପେଜରେ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରେଡିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି
ଆପଣ ଆଉ କଣ ଆଉ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ବୁଝନ୍ତି ନି କି
Client ଗଲାଣି।
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ପଚାରି ନଥିବେ
ସେ ଆଉ କହିନି
ପଇସା
ପଇସା ପାଇଲା ପରେ ଆଉ କହିନି
ପଇସା ପଠେଇ ନଥିବେ
ପାଇଲା ପରେ ଦବ।
My lord, first two occasion on 10th March and 5th May. Two occasion we have also disbursed the amount in favor of the petitioner, my lord, through his bank account. But due to non-link of the Aadhaar, could not be.
Now Aadhaar has been linked.
No, link देई तांका account disburse ହେଇଛି.
Yes, sir.
ତାହେଲେ Aadhaar link କରିଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ସେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କି କୋଉ
No, Your Lordship, ସେ ଆଉ କହିନି
ଆପଣ ପଚାରି ନଥିବେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ଆପଣ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କେବେ କଥା ହେଇଥିଲେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟା ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା
ଫାଇଲ
ସେତେବେଳେ
ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଆଉ କଥା ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ତାପରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ
ତାପରେ ଏବେ କହିବେ ଦେଖି 50,000 ମୁଁ ଦିଲେଇ ଦେଲି ମତେ କେତେ ମିଳିବ କହିବେ 10% ନା 20%
କନସେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ରିଫ ଏଟା ମୋର
କେତେ percent ମିଳେ
କିଛି ଆଦରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନାହିଁ
ହଁ ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଫୋନ କରିବେ ତାକୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଥିଲା ବେଳେ ଫୋନ କରିବେନି ମ୍ୟାଟର କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ସେଇଟା ଫୋନ କରିବେନି ହେଇ ଗଲା ଦେଖିଲା ସେମାନେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୋର କିଛି ରୋଲ ନାହିଁ
Your loss.
ଅଛି
In your loss.
then he will get anyway learned concept of the petitioner submit that the petitioner case has not been considered under the Nirman Shramik Kalyan Yojana, though he has applied for the seat since long. In reply to the said, learned counsel of the running counsel of the state has filed in counter affidavit, not filed, has
On instruction.
on instruction, he has stated that the said amount has already been disbursed to the petitioner's account
on 15/11/2023.
on 15/11/2023. In view of the said fact, the petition is in flux. Accordingly disposed. Hala?
48 ଅଛି ଆଜି ସେଥିରେ ବି ଆମେ amount disburse କରିଦେଇଛୁ but ସେଟା
ଆସୁ ଏଟା ରଖିଛି
ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟରଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଇଛି
और फाइल कर देते
I may be pardoned, my lord.
Yes.
Just now I found that It is
ଆପଣ ସେଦିନ କହିବେ ଏବେ ଆଉ କହିବେ ଏତେବେଳେ କହିଲେନି
ଖାଲି ଦେଖିଥିଲେ ସଜୀବ ପଟେଲ।
that you should then ଆପଣ କାଲି ଇଭିନିଂ ରେ କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକିରି ଆଇଲେନି
ନାଇଁ,
ଏବେ
file ଟା
ଏବେ ଆସି
ଦେଖିଥିଲେ
prepare
ସେଟା
କରିବେ
page ଟା ଟିକେ-
ଏକ୍ସାମ ହଲ ରେ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ ପାଇଁ ଆଲାଉଡ
ନାଇଁ,
ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ,
ଏକ୍ସାମ
page
କେବଳ
ଟା-
କପି କରାଯାଏ ନହେଲେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରାଯାଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ କପି ବି କରିଲେନି
ନାଇଁ।
କଣ କରିବ କପି
ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ମିସ୍ କରିଲା ସେ ପେଜ ଟା ଏପଟ
କୋଉ
ସେପଟ
ପେଜ
ପେଜ 14
ମଝିରେ ଆଉ ଆସିବେନି ଏମିତି ଅଲଗା
ନାଇଁ,
ଅଲଗା ଟାଇମ
I-
ଆପଣ
I-
ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ହଁ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଗୁଡ୍
ପେଜ 14
କାରଣ ମୋର ପୁଣି କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିକି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଖୋଲିବାକୁ ପଡେ ମତେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜ ଧରିକି ତ ଓହ୍ଲଉନି ନା ମୁଁ ଆଗେନ୍ କ୍ଲୋଜ ଆଗେନ୍ ଓପନ ନ୍ୟୁ ଥିଙ୍ଗ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଥିଲା ଏଟା
ପେଜ 14
Item
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଆଇଟମ
Item
ପଚାରୁଛି
8
8.
ମୋ ମନେ ନାହିଁ ନା ଆପଣ ସିନା ମନେ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ତ ଆହୁରି ମ୍ୟାଟର କରୁଛି ୟେସ୍ 14
ପେଜ 14
ପେଜ 14 କଣ ଅଛି
list of 44 applications found to be eligible
ସାର୍ ଏଲିଜିବଲ ତ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ବି କହୁଛି ଆପଣ କଣ କଥା କହିଲି
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ
ହଁ।
noting
ହଁ।
on scrutiny of the application it was found that there were a 2935 number of applications received against the advertisement issued in this office by advertising number 3371 dated 6/11/2020 out of which 44 numbers of applications were found to be eligible as per the comprehensive guidelines for the selection and engagement
Sir.
of gram regular selection on the-
Eligible is not selected, sir.
Just-
Eligible for the selection does not mean it is selected. Kindly differentiate the two terms.
just now I
Eligible, just now mo kotha shunantu. Eligible for selection is not necessarily the selected candidates. Often the final selection there will be a selected candidate list. How can this be true, Sam?
just
Give the selected candidate.
ଏଇଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଯେ
ନା ନା ନା
out
ଏଟା
of that-
ଏଲିଜିବୁଲ ଟା ଅଲଗା ସାର୍
Objection
ଆପଣ
for-
ନିଜେ ବେସିକ କମନ ସେନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏଲିଜିବିଲିଟି ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏଲିଜିବୁଲ ସବୁ କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଆଗ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନାଲ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଟା ହୁଏ ତାପରେ final
ଠିକ
list ଟା
ଅଛି
ହୁଏ।
ତାପରେ ଫାଇନାଲି ଯୋଉଟା ହବ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ହେଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ଫାଇନାଲି ସେମାନେ ମାର୍କ ଯୋଉଟା ଇଏ କରିକି ତାପରେ
Objection call for ସେଟା ଅଛି।
ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ କଲ୍ ପରେ ହବ କାହାର କଣ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ସେପରେ ଫାଇନାଲ ହବ ନା ଆଉ
ଏଇ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ସେମାନେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ହେଇପାରେ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନୋ
ଏଇ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ସେମାନେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ
ବଟ୍
କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଏଲିଜିବୁଲ ଆଉ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ସମାନ ନୁହେଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ସେଦିନ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ କହିବାର ଅଛି
item
I-
48 ଟା ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ date ଥିଲା।
58
48 ଟା ଯୋଉ similar ଥିଲା 9
ଶିମଲା ବେଟଟା ତାକୁ ସେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କରିଦା କାଟେ
ସେଠି ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିବି ତାଙ୍କର ସେଟା ଏଟା ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଏଟା
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଡେଥ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଏଟାକୁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ ଯଦି କରିବ ତାହେଲେ ଏଟାକୁ
ଆଜି ମୁଁ ବସନ୍ତି ଟିକେ ଫାଇଲ କର
ପରଦିନ ଲଗେଇଦିଅ ତାକୁ
47 ଟା ବି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସିବ
ଫାଇଲ କାଉଣ୍ଟର
47 ଟା ବି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସିବ ସେଇଟା ବି ସେଇ ନିର୍ମାଣ ଶ୍ରମିକ କଲ୍ୟାଣ ଅଛି।
ନା 47 ଟା ମୁଁ in fact we have received the department has received the notice yesterday my lord ଏଟା ତା ପର week ଆସୁ 47 ଟା
ଏଇ ନମ୍ବର ଏଇଟା ଖାଲି ଆସିବ ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମରୋ
ହଁ,
ଖତମ
48
ହେଲା ବାକିଟା ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ ଆସିବ 47 ଲିଖି ଦେଇଥା ପଢିଦେ ତାକୁ
ନା,
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ
48
48 ଟା ଲଗେଇ ଆଉ 47 ବି ସେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ ଲଗେଇ
next week ଆସୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତାପର ୱିକ ହେଲା
Oblige, Lordship.
ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 10.
10
My lord. In this case, my lord, the first item is filed by the present petitioner. Second item is filed by the opposite party number 5, man. With the one advertisement, the case of the present petitioner here is that in the year 2016, there was an advertisement and about 2-3 years, selection could not be done. But in the year
advertisement was published but selection was not done
done.
right
Yes,
if I am not wrong
yes, ma'am.
okay then what is the problem
Thereafter, my lord, without following the due procedures, the opposite party number 5 got the job.
what is the due procedure mean what is the due procedure they didn't follow?
Due procedures means, as per the advertisement, there is a the Sabha will be convened.
This is for
And-
which post
That is the advertisement.
this is for which post
That is
Anganwadi helper.
Anganwadi helper
Yes.
तो police ବାହିନୀ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ପୋଲିସ ସେବାଟା ହେଲାନି ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ ବୋଲିକି
ହେଲାନି ବୋଲି ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ କୋଉ ବେସିସରେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
therefore my lord just a minute.
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ପିଟିସନକୁ କହିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ମଝିରେ କହିବାଟା ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଗୁଡ୍
Second
ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆସିଲେ କହିବେ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ବସନ୍ତୁ नो बडी शुड ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଜାଗା ନାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ପଛରେ ଛିଡା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଗରେ ନାହିଁ ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ସମ୍ ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ ସାର୍ ଆଉ କେବେ ଶିଖିବେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ୟଙ୍ଗ ଟାଇମରେ ଶିଖିଲେ ସିନା ପଛରେ ସେମିତି ରହିଯିବେ ନହେଲେ ଏମିତି ହଉଛି ନା ହଉ ପଢିବା ଏତେ ଦୂର ଆସିଲା ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ କଣ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ପେସେନ୍ସ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି ଓକେ yes please
Yes, my lord. The present petitioner has come to this honorable court in WPC number 27945 of 2020, which was disposed of on 18/11/2020.
ସେ dispose of କଣ representation
Yes, representation did.
ଏଇତ ହେଇଥିବ ଆଉ କଣ ଏଇଟା
ମାଇଲ।
ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରି ଭାବିବା କଥା representation ଆଇଲା ମାନେ dispose ହବ ଏଠି 3 ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସିବେ disposal ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆବେ ସେଠି ମାଡ଼ ଖାଇକି ଦେବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫେର ଆଉ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଁ ଯିବେ ଯଦି 3 ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ନହେଲେ ତ କେସ୍ ସଲ୍ଭ ହୁଏନି ଯୋଉ କେସ୍ ଦେଖିବ ତାର ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ତାର ହଉଛି ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଖୋଜିବ ଦିଥର ଆସିଥିବ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
Right.
for no reason you went there that time this could have been decided no it happened representation
My lord, that is turned to the
now the
appeal
question
number.
what happened in the representation decided କଣ ହେଲା ତାପରେ
Appeal number है जो opposite party number 5. Who
हाँ।
is the petitioner in the next?
ଆପଣ
attached
ଗଲେ
case?
representation ଦେଲେ କାହାକୁ ନା
So-
appeal କୁ ଗଲେ
Treated representative that treated as appeal and disposed to annexer, that is my lord.
so
Annexer 4.
appeal ରେ କଣ ହେଲା
Appeal से जो appointment दिया ହେଇଥିଲା to the present Raulo, Suchitra Raulo,
हाँ
that has been cancelled.
okay you are for the Suchitra Raulo
No. I am for the Sanjulata Behera, the another applicant.
so who was selected first Raulo
Suchitra in the year 2020, after 4 years, without following in the present office, they have appointed that.
and you are the one of the candidate who
Yes,
applied
I am one of the
so
candidates.
so Suchitra
am-
was selected you are saying
Yes, selected.
you are also the candidate but she was selected
She was
right?
selected.
on what basis she was selected
So that is that
ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ପସନ୍ଦ କଲେ ତାକୁ
नहीं, नहीं, ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ପସନ୍ଦ करना
फिर की
ତ
କଲେ
ଗାଁରେ କିଛି ହେଲାନି ବୋଲି ତ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ହେଲା ପରେ ଏଡିଏମ୍ ତାର ଶୁଣାଣି
ଆଚ୍ଛା
କଲା
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ସେ ପାଇଲା ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଆଇଲେ ତାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ଏଠି
नो 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 ସିଏ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାନେ କାଢିଦେଲେ that is another writ petition.
ଆଉ ରିପିଟିସନ
ଆଉ
ତାପରେ
ଗୋଟେ
ସେଠି କଣ ପୁଣି ରିପିଟିସନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଥିରେ ପୁଣି ରିପିଟିସନ ପଠେଇଲେ
no repetition.
ସେଥିରେ କଣ ହେଲା ସେ ଆର ରିପିଟିସନ
Just a minute, clarified, my senior.
ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି
Just a minute.
ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆର ରିପିଟିସନ କଣ ହେଲା
My lord, on my petition, thereafter, the opposite party number 4, that is the ADS sub-collector, my lord, after perusing things, he has opened, passed the order that on the above preceded selection engagement list is quashed, set aside. The CDPO Bhasta is directed to disengage Srimati Suchitra Behera from the post of the Anganwadi helper.
ଓକେ ସେଟା ହେଲା ବୁଝିଗଲି ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ଆପଣ ଆଇଲେ ତାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରି
ମୁଁ ଆସିଲି କାହିଁକି
ହଁ
Miller, the learned sub-collector has passed this order and subsequently, I am challenging only subsequently, thereafter say that a fresh advertisement should be floated. So if the fresh advertisement
ଆପଣ
is
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
floated,
ଫ୍ରେଶ ସେଟଲ ହେବା କଥା
no, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
ସୁଟ୍ ବି କହିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ ତାର ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ କୁ ଟିକେ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
you said press appointment should be floated but that means you suggest a press advertisement
no,
you
I
are
am
not
not
happy with
suggest,
that
I am not suggest, my lord.
then why you said
No,
should
the
be?
order of the impugned order at annexure 4,
Ah.
it is clearly stated that further she is directed to fill up the vacated post of this Anganwadi worker helper
Yes.
through fresh advertisement
Correct.
with a period of 2
ତ
months.
ଆପଣ କହିବା
of
କଥା
the
ପ୍ରେସ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କହିବା
fresh
ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ
advertisement
ତାପରେ ତଥାପି ୟାକୁ ଦିଆ ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ସିଏ ଆସିକି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଫାଇଲ କରିକି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ନଟ୍ knowledge to know.
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କାହିଁ କରନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ କୁ 2 ଲାଇନ ରେ କହିବ ତାକୁ ଏତେ ଲାଇନ ଘୁମୁ ପୁରା ଗିଲି ଭଳିଆ ଘୁମୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ରେ କହିବ କେସ୍ ଟା ଏଠୁ ସେଠୁ ସେଠୁ ବୁଲଉଛନ୍ତି
wrongly selected candidate
ତ ଆପଣ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ରେ ମୁଁ କହିବି ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଲାଇନ ରେ
in
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
one line
ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଲାଇନ
in one line.
ୟେସ୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
The sub-collector has set aside the appointment order of the opposite party number 5. Thereafter,
and he said that there should be a fresh selection. That is what you are saying. So you are agreed by what then?
I am agreed that because there are only 4 candidates. If the fresh selection after 4 years, then many candidates we may not be eligible for that.
That is the system. That you have to accept. Fresh selection means fresh selection. Why should there be unnecessary confusion? I am passing that order, confirming the sub-collector order. ଏବେ ଆପଣ ଏଜ୍ ଅଛି ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିବେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ଆଉ ତା ଅର୍ଥ ଆପଣ 4ଟାରୁ ଅଧିକା ହେବେନି ଏମିତି ଭାଇ
ଏଜ୍ ଆମେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମର ଥିଲା ଏବେ 42 ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ଏବେ 42 ହେଇଯାଉଛି ତାପରେ କଣ 42 ଓଭରେଜ କହିଛି
42 ଓଭରେଜ ନୁହେଁ 42 କ୍ରସ୍ କଲା ଓଭରେଜ 42 କ୍ରସ୍ ହେଲା ଆମର
ସିଲେକ୍ସନ କଲା ବେଳକୁ 42
କେମିତି
ହେଇଯିବ
ଆପଣ
ଛଅ ମାସ, ତିନି ମାସ
ନା 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 ନା
now we are at the age of 42
ସାର୍ ହେଇନି ଏଜ୍ 42 କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ वरी ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ କନସିଡର ଅଲସୋ ମୁଁ ଏତିକି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଦେବି ଦେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ କନସିଡର ଦି ଏଜ୍ ଯଦି ଯାଉଥିବ କନସିଡର କରି ଆପଣ ପାସ୍ କରିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଟିକେ କହିବି
ୟେସ୍ ଆପଣ କିଏ
I am for the that case I am for the opposite party.
ଏଇ କେସ୍ ରେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ କେସ୍ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 4
Opposite party number 5.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ
सी जो ऑर्डर टा पास कले मते बाहर करिया पई एटा that has already been stayed by the Hon'Ble court in the second case.
तो आसु से केस में कहीं लगी चाहिए
हां आसीबा
से स्टे सब वेकेट कर दोछि मु सब स्टे वेकेट कर स्टे दे देला बोले कोन इनविजिबल राइट
नहीं नहीं
बिल्कुल ना
स्टे वैकेट मते न सुनी कि स्टे वैकेट आगा मते
मु आपण सुनंतु सुनी करबी स्टे वेकेट मु करबी तो
आगा मु पार्टी नाही तादरे मु आई वाज अपॉइंटेड इन द पोस्ट ऑफ अंगनवाड़ी हेल्पर
आपण पार्टी नाही
माने मते पक्ष करी नाहती ऑर्डर पास हेची आई वाज अपॉइंटेड इन द पोस्ट ऑफ अंगनवाड़ी हेल्पर
आपण सुनी कि मु कर दो जी ऑर्डर पास कोन इज प्रॉब्लम
नहीं नहीं टिके
की कथा आपण पर एबे पार्टी नहीं कले एबे पार्टी हेले आपण अछंती आर्ग्यू करंतु
आगे से ऑर्डर टा केमती सस्टेनेबल इन द आई ऑफ लॉ
आयर लॉ रो को आई अछि
the principle of
बंद क्लोज
when there is violation of the justice
एई वर्ड यूज करिवनी इन द आई ऑफ लॉ ना एना बेकार वर्ड
ना ना when there is
सस्टेनेबल खाली कहबे ऑन द आई ऑफ लॉ कोन आउ सस्टेनेबल जा आई ऑफ लॉ लगवा दरकार नहीं
आगे
मो ऑर्डर भी मो आई ऑफ लॉ लेखनी प्राय देखि दे को ऑर्डर में आई ऑफ लॉ लेखनी मो लॉ रो आखि नाही में जानि
there is clear violation of the principle of natural justice देखो टिके गोटे
सबुतर बढ़िया मो सबुतर बढ़िया
आगे रीड पिटिशन टा फाइल कले मु अपॉइंटमेंट
काई झगड़ा करछंती अननेसेसरी ये
गोटे मिनिट मते टिके अपॉर्चुनिटी दियो तो एते कथा सुनिले मो पई
आपको केते मु सुनिनी हो आपको सुनिबिनी
मु तो किछि कहिनी
आई डेयर टू डू दैट
आगे मु
आपण आर्ग्यू करंतु
6/7/2020 रे मते अपॉइंटमेंट दिया गला ता पूर्वरु
सभा हितला सब प्रॉपर्ली हितला
ता पूर्वरु दीटा ओकेजन रे डेट फिक्स हला मो रीड पिटिशन रे मेंशन करची जे
आपण कहि चालंतु
ये जो ये सभा पई महिला सभा पई से दीटा ओकेजन रे से माने डिस्टरबेंस कले आदो करे देले नाही तेनु सिलेक्शन कमिटी मते सिलेक्ट करी करी मते अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर इशू कले अंडर एनेक्सर 5 तापरे
सेटा को से कहउछंती रॉन्गली सिलेक्टेड
नहीं हां सेटा कहउछंती रॉन्गली सिलेक्शन
विलेज करिया कथा आपण सिलेक्शन कमिटी केते कला
आगे
विलेज जदी करिया कथा सिलेक्शन कमिटी
जेतु दिथरो डिस्टरबेंस हेकरी
रूल
हां हेई पारला नाही सेति पई मते सिलेक्शन करी करी सिलेक्शन कमिटी सिलेक्ट कले मते अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर इशू कले
कमिटी कला पर फिर सबप्लॉट काहे के ये कला
नहीं अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर इशू कले अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर इशू कला
दिन आपण काम कले
इशू कला पर से माने गोटे रीड पिटिशन फाइल कले मोर मु जेतेबेले कंटिन्यू करूची इन द पोस्ट ऑफ अंगनवाड़ी हेल्पर रीड पिटिशन फाइल कले विदाउट इंप्लीडिंग मी एज पार्टी माने जदी मु मोर राइट हापर होउची मु कंटिन्यू करूची without impeding me as party रीड पिटिशन फाइल कले in which direction was made to consider the repentation and thereafter they filed a repentation which was treated as appeal अंगनवाड़ी appeal से appeal से माने फाइल कले वर्तमान फर्स्ट केस रो
एडीएम
सब कलेक्टर
के करिया था एडीएम
ना सब कलेक्टर हेल्पर सब कलेक्टर ओके सब कलेक्टर पाखरे
अच्छा आपण कंटिन्यू करथले सेटा को ये करी सब कलेक्टर कले
सब कलेक्टर पाखरे भी अपील टा फाइल कले मु पार्टी नाही
आज एनीवे
7 काइंडली हैव ए ग्लास
ओके ठीक अछि ऑर्डर रिजर्व नेक्स्ट आइटम मु बुझि गेली सर नाउ अंडरस्टूड
मते पार्टी नाही
एबे तो पार्टी हेले ना
नहीं मु पार्टी न होई करी ऑर्डर पास करी गले मते किछि
सेति पई कहूची सेति पई कहूची ऑर्डर रिजर्व लेट मी पास ए वेरी रीजनेबल ऑर्डर व्हिच विल बी फॉलोड बाय दिस द एडीएम्स इन फ्यूचर डोंट वरी बढ़िया ऑर्डर पास करिए प्रिजुडिस नन
तापरे
इडिल प्रिजुडिस नन सर
सीडीपीओ भी रिपोर्ट देछनी मु कंटिन्यू करूची
करछंती ना आपण एबे करछंती तो
आगे
हम एबे करछंती तो
आगे
ओके ठीक अछि ऑर्डर रिजर्व आपण दियंतु जे दे दियंतु गुड रिटन सबमिशन छोट छोट दे दियंतु एते घुमेबी नि जिलेबी आई डोंट लाइक
नहीं मु से आदम कहली
मते पूरा पिठा दरकार जिलेबी नहीं स्ट्रेट ओके चकुली जिलेबी
मु कंटिन्यू करूची
सर आपण करूछंती तो करछंती आई विल पास रीजनेबल ऑर्डर अफेक्टिंग द राइट्स ऑफ नॉन रीजनेबल ऑर्डर मीन पूरा रीजनेबल ऑर्डर डोंट वरी आपण से रीजनेबल ऑर्डर जोटी भी चैलेंज करिवे के टच करिवे एतिक आपण गारंटी दउ हला हां नेक्स्ट
आइटम 12
Your Lordship, on last occasion, Your Lordship, I have taken time to take instruction.
What is the issue?
Your Lordship,
Ex gratia
regarding
assistance.
grant of ex gratia
कौन
assistance.
ହେଇଥିଲା?
से फायर एक्सीडेंट ହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚୁଲିରେ ରୋଷେଇ କରୁଥିଲା ଆର୍ଥେନ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋଭ while the wife of the petitioner was cooking in the earthen stove,
Died by?
spread of fire from the earthen stove, ମାଟି ଚୁଲି ଯୋଉ
Earthen
ତାପରେ
stove.
ରୋଷେଇ କଲା
Earthen chula, okay.
ତାର
So-
death by that fire accident, Your
ସେ
Lordship.
ଫାୟାର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ସ୍କିମ୍
Yes, Your Lordship.
ଆମର ବନେନି
ଓଡିଶା ରିଲିଫ କୋଡ୍, Your Lordship.
ସାର୍ ରିଲିଫ କୋଡ୍ ରେ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଘରେ ଭାତ ରାନ୍ଧୁଥିବେ ତରକାରୀ କରୁଥିବେ ପୋଡିଗଲେ ଦିଆ ହବ ବୋଲି କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
Your Lordship, kindly have a glance to the page number 16, Your Lordship.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନା ମୁଁ ସେଟା ପଢି ପଢି ମୋର ଏଠି ରହିଗଲାଣି
House
ଆପଣ
damages,
ଅଛି ଖାଲି
ତା ଦେହରେ house damages due to fire accident present
ହାଉସ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜେସ୍ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହାଉସ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ
ନା house damage ହେଇଛି ତାପରେ
ଆପଣ ହାଉସ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଡେଥ୍
ନାଇଁ death ଟା ମାଗୁଛି
ଫିର ଆପଣ ଡେଥ୍ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଡେଥ୍ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ରେ
in some
ଘରେ ଯଦି ରାନ୍ଧୁଥିବେ ଚୁଲିରେ ପୋଡିଯିବେ ସେମାନେ ପାଇବେ କି? ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଏ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆନ୍ସର ମି ଆର୍ ଦେ କଭର୍ଡ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଦ ସ୍କିମ୍?
yes, Your Lordship, emergent relief ଟା
Yes କହିଲେ
ମିଳିଲା
ହବନି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
Your Lordship,
ଦେଖେଇଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଇଦେବି ମୁଁ କିଛି ରଖିବା ଏ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ନ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିଲେ I'm sorry.
the houses generally mud built walls with the thatched roofs.
ସାର୍ ସେଗୁଡା କାହିଁ ଯାଉଛି ଡେଥ୍ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ହାଉସ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ କୋଉଠି ମାନେ ଡେଥ୍ ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ଡେଥ୍ ପାଇବେ କି?
Your Lordship, relief for loss of life in case of any member of the family dies in fire accident, ex gratia assistance at the rate of 10,000 for each case. Death shall be given to the bereaved family, Your Lordship. Page number 17.
Read it again.
In case any member of the family dies in fire accident, ex gratia assistance at the rate of rupees 10,000 for each case of death.
Fire accident, what is the clarity? What is the clarity in fire accident?
Here, accident was occurring in the year 2008.
As far as my knowledge goes,
Yes, Your Lordship.
fire accident suppose ଖରା ଦିନ ଗାଁ ମାନେ ନିଆଁ ଲାଗିଯାଏ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁ ପ୍ରାୟ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ପାଳ ଘର ଥାଏ ଧର ଧର ଲାଗି 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 ପୁରା ଗାଁ ପୋଡିଯାଏ ପୁରା କିମ୍ବା କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଟ ସର୍କିଟ ହେଇକି ଘର ପୋଡିଗଲା କିମ୍ବା ଆର୍ଥକ୍ୱେକ୍ ହେଇକି ଘର ପୋଡି ଆର୍ଥକ୍ୱେକ୍ ରେ ବି ଯୋଉ ସ୍ପାର୍କିଂ ହେଇକି ଲାଗିଯାଏ ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ଯଦି ସିଚୁଏସନ ଅଛି କିମ୍ବା ରାୟଟ ହେଇଛି କାଗରକୁ ନିଆଁ ଲଗାଇଦେଲା କନ୍ଧମାଳ ରାୟଟ ଟାଇପର ସିଚୁଏସନ ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ସିଚୁଏସନ ପାଇଁ ଏଟା କ୍ୟାପଚର କରାଯାଇଛି ସେଟା
That has
ଏଇ
been
ରୁଲ
defined in a basic
but not regular fire accident ଘରେ ଆପଣ ନେଗ୍ଲିଜେନ୍ସ ରେ ନିଆଁ ଲାଗିଯିବ ଆପଣ ଭଲ କେୟାରଫୁଲି ନ ରହିବେ ଶିଫନ ଶାଢୀ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଲଜର ପଜର ହେଇଯିବ ଲାଗିଯାଇଥିବ ଏଗୁଡା ତାପରେ ଡେଉଁଥିବେ
Already inquiry has been conducted. Already inquiry has been conducted by SRC, Your Lordship. But it has been pending, Your Lordship.
ସେ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କରିଛନ୍ତି
Yes, Your Lordship.
ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ
No, Your Lordship.
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଏବେ ଆଉ ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କେବେ ହେଲା
Your Lordship, kindly have a glance to the page number 21.
ରେକମେଣ୍ଡେସନ କହିବା କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ହାଭ୍ ଏନି ଟୁ ସେ नो
Item
I'll
no,
nobody to say
page 21, Your Lordship.
ଆପଣ କଣ କ୍ଲାରିଟି କଣ କହୁଥିଲେ
case 16.
16
Fire accidents and firing. General. House damages due to fire accidents present a serious problem in Odisha. This is mostly due to the peculiar housing patterns adopted in the villages.
linear pattern that is called linear pattern of housing basically जो plain area like Bihar and other states their pattern is not linear pattern that is spatial pattern in the hilly area it is spatial pattern but here in most of the villages we have linear pattern lagi gote kantha lagi because of that is also reason because the linear pattern is followed because we are visited by frequent cyclone all these things so linear pattern thila save kar de ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେଟାକୁ ସେଇ ଟାଇପର ଘର ଆମର ଥାଏ ତ ସେଠି ଯଦି ଲାଗିଲା ନିଆଁ ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଘର ଲାଗିଲା ଗଡାଏ ଘର ଜଳିବ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ମିଳିବ ସବୁଥିର ଲଜିକ ଅଛି ଭାଇ ବିନା ଲଜିକ ରେ କୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ହୁଏନି
Lordship, page 21, Lordship, kindly have a glance. Page 21, annexer 4.
ନାଇଁ କ୍ଲାରିଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଏମିତିଆ କେସ୍ ଅଛି କଭର୍ଡ so far my knowledge is not still ଯଦି କିଛି ଅଛି ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କେସ୍ ରେ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି କି କୋଉ କେସ୍ ଲ ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
Let him take instruction regarding this.
let him take learn the state to take instruction whether the death due to burning of due to the earthen burning on account of the earthen stove fire caught from the earthen stove is covered under the death compensation or not?
Taking into consideration Annexure 4, Your Lordship.
Taking into consideration Annexure 4. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Let him take it. This is the
Oblige.
matter on 14th December.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ନା ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ସେଟା ସବୁ ଫଲୋ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ଅଛି ବହୁତ ଏମିତି ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି କ୍ଲାରିଟି ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ନେଇ ଆସିଲା ଓକେ
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lordship, I am appealing for the sub-item of item number 11. So this item must be retagged, delisted from this list.
they're already delisted sir
Thank you. Item 13. I'll publish.
13
May I please? Your minor offense under section 302. In a similar case, my lord has granted bail. Your lordship can listen.
302 which hunting
Mine.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ ରୋଲ ଆପଣ କଣ କଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସିମିଲାର ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କଣ କଲେ ସେଥିରେ what was your role
My role is, my lord, I am not involved in this matter. Just
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମିତି କହନ୍ତୁନି ଏଇ ଆପଣ ସେ ପୁରା legally argue କରନ୍ତୁ what was your role I am not involved in an evasive answer what exactly your role
my lord, in similar case,
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସିମିଲାର କେସ୍ ଛାଡିକି ଆଜି କହୁ ଏଇ କେସ୍ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା I am asking your role
my
why similar case you are saying your role what is your role
Shankar.
ଆପଣ କଣ କଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
My role is, my lord. My lord is କବାଟ ଭାଙ୍ଗିକି ତା ଭିତରେ ପଶି ତା ବାପା ହରିଙ୍କୁ ଡିସିଜ୍
କିଏ ଟାଣି ଆଣିଲା ଭିତରୁ ଟାଣିଲା କିଏ
one of the member Ajit, Shankar and
ଆପଣ ତ ଅଜିତ
Babula.
ଆପଣ ତ ଅଜିତ
My lord.
ଆପଣ ଟାଣି ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ରୋଲ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
My lord, in this similar case, Shankar has also been
ଆପଣ କେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲେଣି ଭିତରେ
4 years for 9 months.
4 years okay granted ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ I am not going to the merit sir on the, because of delay of trial similar
ଏଇଟା ବି ସେ similar order ହେଇଛି delay ground ରେ
delay ground ହିଁ ଦେଇଛି I am not going to without going to the merit লিখিବ ହେଲା ସବୁ ବେଲ ରେ without going to the merit লিଖିବ ସବୁ because otherwise it influence the term next
Item 14.
May I please, Your Lordship?
14
Lordship, as per your Lordship last direction, the defects have been removed, and as probably, my lords, after your indulgence, the certified copy was also granted on the next day.
okay
After 3 months of application. But today, my lords, my learned senior is saying, though,
which certified copy
my lord, of the impugn order
କୋଉଠି ଏଠି
in OA, my lords.
ଓଏ
WPC OAC 436/2014.
review okay anyway whatever
So, my lords, today,
what are you seeking to review
my lords,
which order you are seeking to review
it's order dated 11th of July 2022.
11th of July
My lords, 2022.
okay
My lords. What is, my lords, again, just, my lords, giving a brief recap. In this matter, the only question involved was whether after marriage, a married daughter can be given appointment under rehabilitation scheme. This is the only question. The WPC OAC was filed with this prayer only, as the petitioner has got married in the meantime after application. At the time of application, she was unmarried.
At the time of application you are unmarried Okay.
Thereafter, subsequently, I got married, but impugn order has been passed by the government that as you have married in the meantime before appointment, we cannot grant you appointment under the rehabilitation assistance scheme.
acha rehabilitation assistance scheme re if there is a clause that says that a person who has applied at the time of unmarried later she becomes she married then will she be considered
automatically verify କରିବି
okay
ଏଟା ଆଜି limitation ଆସିଛି ଜର୍ସି ମେ
limitation କେତେ ଦିନ
My lords, it's nearly, my lords, a year probably.
a year
A year.
କେତେ ଦିନ
Not sure.
complete
Lordship?
453 days sir a year କଣ year ର ଆଉ ବେଶୀ
My lords, 372 mu calculator, 453. My lord.
1 year is enough. 1 month is actually the time you can't
Lordship, if your lordship ask me, lordship,
I can't consider the limitation part
kindly have a glance at the order. Then my lords can decide, my lords. I have no, I bow down to the, my
You
lords.
have
There is a lot of delay.
1 month,
Definitely,
2
my lords.
months, 3 months, still considered. But you
Lordship.
have come after 400 some
It's a
odd days.
bad case, my lords. I know, but my lords, I think there are merits in
If
this
you are,
case.
if
Why?
you are, if you are, if you are, you have to satisfy me on delay. If you can satisfy, then only I can go to the merit.
Lordship.
Otherwise, no.
I have filed a IA for regarding the delay condonation, my lords.
Today I received copy of that. So I will file
Okay, let the government answer this.
objection.
If they don't have problem, I don't have problem.
Objection will file.
Objection file karan. Let the London Council of the state file the objection and the review petition. Okay, list the matter on 12th December. Let them file the reply. Also on merit file it. We'll see how to do. What
Kindly, my lords, kotte min khel dekhi ho kahin ke-
देखिबी नहीं मु जानी छी केस टा कोन आ किछ देखिबार नहीं ले गवर्नमेंट आडू आसु रिप्लाई मु केस टा जानी छी
Lordship.
Don't know.
Then I'm-
नेक्स्ट
Item 15.
15
ଗ୍ରାମ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ନା ସାର୍
Sam
ନୋଟିସ୍ ଯାଇଥିଲା state to file one counter matter can be
have to find the
disposed
counter sir गोटे काउंटर फाइल तो सब दिन कवर
सर सर जीव
खत्म हो जाता है आज सब लगी छी
नहीं सब लागेନି नहीं नहीं फास्ट ना नोटिस जाए
बैच
नोटिस
पूरा फाइल कर लेगी
Last time on the file.
अरे भाई इंडिया मैटर 100 टा लगी सर थी वो
नहीं नहीं
ना all pending do one thing na why don't you file one reply in one that will be covered in other matter that will be similar issue na gote
File department or different.
that department ही पारे but issue तो same ना issue gote legal issue gote actually may be different but legal issue is one gote issue रे एकला बाकी से cover ही जो land council for the state to file a comprehensive counter affidavit since the matter pertains to a batch of petition having similar issues maybe with a different set of facts
same fact
but the legal issue is one legal issue is identical hala release the matter on 20th सब फाइल कर 20th लगा दीजिए सब खत्म कर दे गुटे दिन दिसंबर पूर्व खाता खुलेगा दरकार ना 20th बेसी जो मु 12 तारिख कर दूची 12 सारे 12 रे आसी जो एका संग गुटे बैच पळेयो ठीक अछि फाइल इट गुटे थरे जो सब कवर 12 रे नेक्स्ट
obliged नहीं नहीं
Item 16.
15 16 17
16 में सेम से सेम डेट रे आसी
Postal department is what is the Union of India application for
17 भी से इश्यू सेम
same
एका संग आसी परिबो गुटे इश्यू एका संग आसी से 12 रे
33 to 37 मध्ये से
33 to 37 also 33 to 37 same हला next
obliged
Item 18.
18
Annexure 3, page 18 is under challenge, madam.
सर मोरते फैक्ट्स कहबे एनेक्सर कथा आगो कहबे नहीं
Here is
वो
the
एनेक्सर
case,
वर्ड सुनले मते केन केन लागे
I being the
अपन
sister-in-law,
फास्ट शॉर्ट सबमिशन
I being the sister-in-law, I filed a petition before the land magistrate that I am not coming within the purview of the Domestic Violence Act. Therefore, I may be expunged.
sister-in-law you don't stay there
No,
you are married
I am married since 2008.
and you don't
No, I am staying
आस्ती की
separately.
प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करथबे जे
सेटा क्या
मझिरे
domestic?
मझिरे आस्ती
तापे तो
कुटी मारी
तापे तो
क्लोज
नहीं नहीं lordship.
बहुत sister-in-law शेयर करन मझिरे आसन देखल जॉब करे
तापे 498 ଅଛି. GR case ହେଇଛି. That I am proceeding.
काई
But so far-
498 डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस आसीबे नहीं
No,
काई की
lordship can have a glance.
काई की देखांत मते
Lordship can have a glance.
sister-in-law काई की ना आसीबे नहीं बतांतु बहुत sister-in-law बदमाश स्थान दिया आसी की झगड़ा लागी पड़ी जान
बदमाश ଥାନ୍ତି
हां आपण केते दूर रहंती
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ GR case ଅଛି.
केते दूर रहंती
Same
नहीं।
district,
हैं
same district.
କିଛି ଦୂରଟା କଥା ନୁହଁ.
इच्छा कले पळे आउथबे झगड़ा लागी जाउथबे
That I am not disputing. କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ପାଇଁ GR case ଅଛି. There I have been convicted.
admittedly sister-in-law is not disputing
No, here
admittedly not disputing
no, that my submission, my lord. That
देखो देखो
fact-
देखो गोटे केस रे
आଜ୍ଞା
तू तीन एस्पेक्ट होची
ଆଜ୍ଞା
गोटे हला एडमिटेड पोजीशन हला आ गोटे जे कंटेस्टेड पोजीशन हला आ गोटे लॉ तीनटा पोजीशन थाए गोटे केस रे
आଜ୍ଞा
कौन सी केस रे पृथ्वी रे केस रे जनरली तीनटा पहलू एडमिटेड पोजीशन आपण ड्राफ्टिंग कलाडे सेही लाइन रे ड्राफ्टिंग करिया कथा समस्त
lordship.
एडमिटेड पोजीशन एटा पूरा थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड
Lordship.
एटा हो
That-
पैटर्न हो या जेमते हम सेंटेंस रखिले ग्रामर रे गोटे रूल नहीं SVO सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट Subject, I am going to market. I ହେଲା subject. I am going to ହେଲା verb. Market ହେଲା object. ତିନିଟା ହେଲା ସେମିତିଆ ସବୁ କେସ୍ ର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ସେମିତିଆ ଏକ admitted position, 2 ହେଲା contested position, 3 ହେଲା legal position, 4 ହେଲା judge ର answer ହେଲା ଏ ତିନିଟା ହେଇଗଲା ତ judge answer easy ହେଇଯାଏ। ତେଣୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର admitted position ଟା କଣ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Admitted position ला ମୁଁ sister in law.
You are the sister in law.
Lordship.
ଆଉ ବାକିଟା କହିଲେନି ଯେ we ରଖିଥିଲେ
नहीं नहीं set part टा क्या?
बाकी admitted position how many times you visit your father's house?
But ମୁଁ visit
No,
कले
no,
भी
but
ମୁଁ torture कले भी आज्ञा I will not come
torture कले भी बाप immunity you are enjoying immunity
no matter ମୋ ପାଇଁ 498 ଅଛି GR case
sir କିଏ କହିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଏ କହିଲା
there I will
no there is wrong notion
my humble lordship kind have glance to rules 2 rule 2 of the domestic violence act
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ rules ପଢନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି ବାବା କି କଥା 490 ରେ ଆସିବ ଏଥିରେ ଆସିବନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
rule 2 my lord that sub rule my lord F
yes
domestic relationship
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
domestic relationship means a relationship between two persons who live or have at any point of time live together in a shared household when they are related by consanguinity marriage or through a relationship in the nature of marriage adoption or are family members living together as a joint family
just a minute ଏଇଥିରେ can any law define the family members? How can you say that a married daughter is not a family member?
share household ଗୋଟେ part है
share household sir ठीक ଅଛି married member ଆସିକି ଘରକୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆସିବ ଝଗଡା କରିବ ବାଡାଇବ ପିଟିବ ଯିବ domestic violence ଆସିବନି କୋଉ law କହିଲା ନାହିଁ ଆସିବ
domestic violence to separate act है
sir act ଥାଉ ନା ଆପଣ no
come within the purview of
your act has not been able to capture your action that is the unfortunate part
no for me the punishment is there वो 498 ରେ ମୋତେ conviction ହେବ
କାହିଁକି 498 କାହିଁକି ଆସିବ administrative କାହିଁ ଆସିବନି ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଆସିକି ଝଗଡା କରିବେ ବାଡା ପିଟା କରିବେ ପଳେଇବେ
8 ବର୍ଷରୁ ବାହା ହେଇକି ମୁଁ
ତ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ଘରକୁ ଆସନ୍ତିନି ବାହାର ଝଗଡା କରନ୍ତିନି ବାହାର ଲୋକ ବାଡାନ୍ତିନି what is this
domestic relationship and ସେଥିରେ define ହେଇଛି ମାନେ share household କଣ define ହେଇଛି therefore I am not come within that
यार ଏଥିରେ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଡେଫିନେସନ ଦେଖୁଛି ଡେଫିନେସନ ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ସପାଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେବି ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଏବେ ବଢେଇ ଦେବି ତାର ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ସବେ ଆସିବେ
that is your lordship's appreciation that I am not saying anything
not correct appreciation sir ଆପଣ 10ଟା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇଦେବି ଏମାନେ ବି ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବର ବୋଲି
no
ଅଛି ଦେଖେଇବି ଅଛି
part of the family member ମନା କରୁ
ସେ ତ
କିନ୍ତୁ ଡୋମେଷ୍ଟିକ ଭାয়োଲେନ୍ସ ଆସିବେ ନା ମୋ ନାରେ 498 ହବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଲା କଣ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
କେବଳ ଡୋମେଷ୍ଟିକ ଭାয়োଲେନ୍ସ
you should be discharged
yes
you come for that okay issue notice ତାପରେ
I am appearing my lord
my learned friend
I am appearing my lord
father
my lord wife my lord
wife
my lord
what is her role tell this role କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କଲେ ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବାଡେଇଲେ ପିଟିଲେ
my lord
ଆଉ କଣ କଲେ ଗାଳି ଦେଲେ
ମୁଁ ଯାହା ରୋଲ କଲେ ମୋ ନେପାଳ ଫୋନ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ରୋଲ କୋଉ ରୋଲରେ ଆସିବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବନି ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ यस हाँ यार यहाँ पे एग्जाम में तैयारी करके नहीं आते हो कि यहाँ तैयारी करते हो एग्जाम तैयारी कर कॉपी करियो ना लिखिबो दुईटा जाके आउ एठी तैयारी करे पे समय नहीं घर प्रिपेयर के आसी हाँ कौन अपन कौन करले कोन
I have not received the notice I have getting the order from this Hon'Ble court when they file the certificate
आपण एटा तो पाइथिबे आगरु ना
नोटिस
आपण पाइथिबे ना कॉपी तो देछन दी कॉपी
ମୁଁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
but I have not received the notice my lord your lordship
ଆପଣ ରୋଲ ତ କଣ ଅଛି ଜାଣିଥିବେ କଣ ତାର ରୋଲ ତ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ଆସିକି ତ ଛିଡା ହେଇଗଲେ ତାପରେ ଏଟା କି କହିବ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କହିବି
ନା କପିଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜି ଦେଇଦେବି
କପିଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
my lord
ନେସେସରି ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ହେଲା ଟିକେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ଆସିବେ ନା ଆଉ କିଛି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ନାହିଁ ସବୁ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ନହେଲେ କପିଟା ଦେଇଦିଅ ଦିଅ କପିଟା ଦିଅ ନାଇଁ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କପି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପରା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
no my lord
ଏବେ କପିଟା ଦିଅ ଏବେ କପି ପଢିବେ 2ଟା ବେଳେ ନଉଛି 2ଟା ବେଳେ ନା 2ଟା ବେଳେ 3ଟା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ଆଜି ଇୟାରିଂ ନବ ଛାଡ ଲମ୍ବେଇଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ କେସ୍ ଖାଲି ଯଦି ଏଠି ଏଡଜମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ଚାଲିଗଲେ ଆଉ କୋଉ କେସ୍ ଶୁଣିବି ତାହେଲେ
after long
3ଟା ବେଳେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ ଆପଣ କପିଟା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏ କପିଟା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ give the copy give our copy and return back okay don't go away
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଜେରକ୍ସ କରି କପିଟା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି
ଆଉ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ ବଢିଆ ତାର ଦିଅନି ସବୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
item 19
19 Okay, land comes with the petition.
My lord, I am appearing, my lord.
1 week time to
I am
remove
appearing to the appeal two, no, my lord. The notice is not
Dip-
served.
sir, defect remove କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପରା
Earlier order was there, my lord.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ defect remove କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଆସିବେ
ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଆଗରୁ।
ହଉ remove the defects ଆପଣ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗେ କି defect remove ପାଇଁ ଆଗରୁ ଥରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା
Yes, yes.
ଆପଣ requisite file କରିନଥିଲେ okay file the requisite land comes with the petitioner to file the requisite within 3
No,
working days
that's
from
it,
today
I am appearing.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଜଣେ ଖାଲି
Yeah, I am.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ତ ଆସିଲେନି ଫେର ଆଉ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା okay the removal of defects is dispensed with since the opposite party has already entered appearance in
I am OP 2, my lord.
Huh?
OP number 2.
OPM 1
One is state.
ठीक है OP number 2 has already entered appearance through Mr. Mishra.
You Pati, Sarani Pati, my lord.
You are for whom?
I am
ଆପଣ ନା କଣ
I am assisting her.
ଓକାଲତ ନା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି
Yes.
ଉଷାରାଣୀପତି ହେଲା ମିଷ୍ଟର ଓକେ ନା ଆଗେ କରନ୍ତୁ
Let a copy be.
କପି ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଓକେ ଲେଟ୍ କପି ବି ସାର୍ this is the matter on
next week.
7th Ras. Let's 7th next
20.
20
My lord, may I please your lord. Petition filed by the petitioner for discharge has been rejected by the Lord Court below, my lord. I have challenged that.
what was your role in the crime
But I have not been named FIR.
what happened can you just
Charge sheet has not been submitted against me. And after conclusion of trial, under section 319, I have been arrested again accused.
there must be some evidence emerging from the
And
during the
one
course of-
eyewitness that I have PW2 examined while trial, my lord. He is the eyewitness and injured in that case. He has
PW
also PW2. But I have not filed that document.
so what was your role according to that PW2
PW2 has not stated anything
who has
against me.
stated anything against you
My lord, one scribe of FIR who filed the petition under section 319 after conclusion of prosecution's evidence. And pursuant to that petition, London Court, trial court has allowed the petition and arraigned me along with 2 others as accused in this case.
ତାପରେ
My
what is the ground because you say actually your name was not named you are not named in the FIR
Annexer
there is no,
one,
no
Annexer
your
one.
name is not there in the charge sheet
My
right except some person who has stated that
Annexer 1, page 9, my lord, the FIR. I have not been named.
admittedly the petitioner name was not found place in the FIR
Rather, my lord, one line in the FIR.
What
page
is
12.
ठीक है and he the petitioner also submits that his name was also his name did not find place in the charge sheet however who named you
My lord, I am reading the FIR relevant part.
who named you
That,
FIR ରେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ନଥିଲା charge sheet ରେ ନା
informant named my name in the FIR, but not as an accused. I am that.
so you are not
ଗୟାଧର ପରିଡ଼ା ଓ ଜ୍ୟୋତି ପଣ୍ଡା ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ମୋ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ହାଣି ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି।
ତ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ଥିଲେ
No, no, ଜ୍ୟୋତି ପଣ୍ଡା is new.
ତ ଫିର
ଜ୍ୟୋତି ପଣ୍ଡା is
ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କେମିତି କହିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ମାରିନି ବୋଲି। I am reading well. ସେ ଗୟାଧର ପରିଡ଼ା ଓ ଜ୍ୟୋତି ପଣ୍ଡା ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ମୋ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ହାଣି ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି। ବ୍ୟତୀତ page 12
charge sheet ରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି
charge sheet is not charge sheeted. I have filed
ତ କହିଲି charge sheet ରେ ନାହିଁ ମୋ ନାଁ ନାହିଁ
Annexer 2 ରେ ବି, he has not implicated as accused and charge sheet has not been
charge sheet ବି file then we'll see
charge sheet already filed.
ତାପରେ କହିଲେ ଏବେ charge sheet file ହେଇନି ବୋଲି
ନାଇଁ charge sheet ରେ ମୋ ନାଁରେ charge sheet ହେଇନି।
ମୁଁ ତ ପଚାରୁଛି ସେଇ କଥା ନା ସେଇ କଥା ତ ପଚାରୁଛି ମୁଁ
My lord,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ charge sheet ରେ ବି ନାହିଁ
charge sheet ରେ ବି ନାହିଁ।
charge sheet ରେ ଆପଣ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପସନ୍ଦ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କମାଣ୍ଡ କହନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
FIR, my lord, I have having glanced to page 11, man. FIR. ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ମିଡିଲ ପୋର୍ସନ ପଢିଛି ମୋ ବାପା ତାଙ୍କ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଏକ କଣ୍ଟା ବୋଲି ଭାବି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ସହଯୋଗୀ ଜ୍ୟୋତିରଞ୍ଜନ ପଣ୍ଡା ଯୋଉ ପରିଡା ହଉଛନ୍ତି ମେନ୍ ତାଙ୍କ ସହଯୋଗୀ ହେଲେ ଜ୍ୟୋତିରଞ୍ଜନ ପରିଡା ମଧ୍ୟ ମୋର ବାପାଙ୍କର ଶତ୍ରୁତା ଆଚରଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଟଙ୍କା ବଳରେ କାହାକୁ ଉପେକ୍ଷା ନକରି ଏହି ବ୍ଲକରେ ଏକଚାଟିଆ ଶାସନ କରି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଓ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଗ୍ରାମରେ ଅସାଧୁ ଯୁବକ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଦ ମାଂସ ସ୍ୱାଂସ କରିକି ତାପରେ ସବୁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ନାଁ ମିଳିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ପ୍ରାୟ ଏଫଆଇଆର ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି ବଟ୍ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନୋ why his name has not been reflected in the FIR. I don't know the accused column but now your lordship kindly have glance to page 34 man.
But FIR ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି ଏ ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅଛି
Page 12. Page 12.
I have actually
Middle part.
34 page 34.
34. Yes, sir.
Paragraph number 5.
5.
Before delving further, the admitted
Admittedly, IO, that is PW 35, after investigation, has submitted charge sheet against 9 accused persons, excluding the present petitioner and 2 others.
ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ କରେ ତାପରେ ଦଉଛି ତଳକୁ ଅଛି
ୟାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ନାହିଁ
ନେଲେନି point number 3 ମାଇଲ it is also not disputed that witnesses particularly PW7 PW8 PW10 PW18 and PW25 of ST case number 138 to 2012 have deposed about the active involvement of the accused petitioner along with other accused persons namely Dasarathi Das, Gaya Parida and Jyoti Panda.
A prime conspirator behind the murder. Sir, your conspiracy angle is there. Your role. Sir, that's why the trial will be actually speaking the truth. This requires a thorough trial.
Trial already completed under 319. The petitioner has been arraigned as an accused.
What क्या कर सकते? Either. If you are not.
And PW2 is the eyewitness
Sir, if
injured
you are
in
not-
that case.
If you are not, so what, you are challenging what? You are to.
For discharge.
Discharge petition has been rejected. I have
Trial complete के भी होगा. Trial complete ला तो फिर आप
in the instance of other accused, those 9 accused.
no 9 अपन का ये रही नहीं ना.
ना.
फिर trial क्यों दिए? Your name is there, sir. How can you say not there? I can understand a fact case. पूरा कोड रिलेटेड नहीं जस्ट की कही देला खाली आपण ना किछि नाही रूल
Well, I will file.
आपण प्रिंसिपल कॉन्स्पिरेटर आपण ना अछि जो मेन 3 जन भितर आपण अछंती आ किंतु आपण ना नाही
I will file the evidence of PW2.
So what?
Who is the active? Who is the eyewitness to the occurrence? Let it come next week. I will file the position of PW.
ମୁଁ ପଢିଲି PW8 PW7 PW10
Let him
18
file
25
why you people take so much time unnecessary I don't know every time किसी कोन बहाना करे टाइम निकल पड़े हां जल्दी आने दिलेनी जेरस पे I don't mind दियो देखिए बे इधर देखिए
He was present at the place of occurrence. He is one of the injured in that case. He has stated nothing about it.
with the opposite party state
State.
you give a copy to me let him go through
Info of the
ଗୋଟେ copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ I'm fixing it for 30th ରଖି ଦଉଛି ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ let him go through
May I pray, my lord? I have filed.
ଆଜି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ସେ ଦେଖିବା 2-3 ଦିନ ପରେ ତ ଆସିବ
23rd ରେ ଅଛି charge ପାଇଁ
ଆଉ ହଉ ହେଲା
ଖାଲି adjournment
adjourn ତ କରୁଛି ଆଉ କଣ କରୁଛି
ନାଇଁ in trial court I will file an adjournment.
no there you can do you can say that the matter is pending and it is fixed on this day you can say that why should I observe
trial court is not considered.
sir एमती observe करा जाएनी this is wrong method no wrong method High Court observe करो ट्रायल कोर्ट कौन न करिवो High Court should not interfere on that
30th
no 30th आगरू पछ कर दी 28 रे कर 28 पढ़िया पे तो 24 रे कर दी
23rd रे
24 23rd 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 ହେଲା 23rd 23rd ର
23rd
first
ତ
10ଟା
କାଲି
item first 10 item ହେଲା ଏତିକି କହିଲି।
କାଲି
କାଲି ନା କାଲି ଆସିବେ କଣ ଅଛି ପଢିକି ତ ଆସିବେ କଣ ଆସିବେ
ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଦେବି
ହଁ ଆଜି ଏବେ ଦେଇଦେବେ
ଆଜି
ଏବେ ଦେଇଦେବେ। କାଲି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
21.
21
First case for the petitioner, second case my lord of Mr. State is the petition.
what is the block education officer यार की काम
ସେଥିରେ ସେ କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର କୋର୍ଟ ଡିସାଇଡ କରିଦେଲେ ସର୍ଭିସ
କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର କୋର୍ଟ ବ୍ଲକ ଏଜୁକେସନ ଅଫିସର କି କାମ ଥିଲି କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର କୋର୍ଟ କି କେସ୍ ଓଡିଶାରେ କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର କୋର୍ଟ
ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ପଚାରିଲେ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଜୁରିଡିକ୍ସନ ନାହିଁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କରିବାକୁ
ଆଇଲ ପାସ
I am confused.
କଣ ହେଇଛି ମତେ ଟିକେ କହିଲେ
କେସର
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ହେଇଛି
ବ୍ରିଫଟା ନାହିଁ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ ପିଟିସନ ପରା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
Petitions.
ମୁଁ
ଟିକେ
ପିଟିସନ
ଟିକେ ସେ କହନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା the
ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ଗଲେ ଟିକେ କହ
petitioner's wife was working as an assistant teacher in the school.
assistant teacher ଠିକ ଅଛି
While she was serving in the school, she covered under the group insurance scheme.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
The premium has been paid by the
deficiency
authority
of service
deficiency of service.
then नहीं क्या deficiency of service ଯାଇପାରିବ
And
ତାର ଗ୍ରୁପ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ଯଦି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କଣ ପାଇଁ ପଇସା ଦେଲାନି ତାର କୋଉଠି ଯିବ?
ଆମର ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି ସେଇ ବାବଦରେ ତ ଆମେ
Maintainability question has been raised.
ନା 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 ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯଦି ଗ୍ରୁପ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡେଫିସିଏନ୍ସି ସର୍ଭିସ ଆପଣ against whom that is the question
against the authority, block education officer and
the block officer ଆପଣ କେମିତି ହେଲେ consumer ମୋର କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଯିବେ ଦେନ୍ ଡେଫିସିଏନ୍ସି ଅଫ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏଲଏଚ କରିବେ ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଶୁଣିଲେ ତ ମୁଁ କହିବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଶୁଣିଲେ ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ବି ଥୋड़ा ବହୁତ ଆଇଡିଆ ଅଛି ସାର୍ କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର କେସ୍ ମୁଁ ବି କିଛି କରିଛି ଯଦି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସ୍ କରିବେ you can have a good case for deficiency of service but block education officer against କରିବେ the deficiency service କେମିତି ଏଲଏଚ କରିବେ
that is the government scheme. The
government scheme ତ କଣ ହେଲା
government, that is the scheme of the government.
ତ ୟାର block
Government has
education
to pay.
officer କଣ କଲା
The block education did not paid the amount in time, and they have
a different forum then
I have approved the authority.
who authority
Consumer authority.
our सीधा state ये फाइल करଥାନ୍ତେ फाइल करଥାନ୍ତେ
They have raised maintainability.
consumer authority କେମିତି maintain କଲା
That,
ସେଟା
that I have supplied one judgment of the Hon'Ble Appeal Court with regard to the
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଧରିବେ ଦେଖିବା କେମିତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କଣ ଥିଲା ସେ କେସ୍ ଟା କହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ
that covered in the
ସାର୍
insurance.
କହନ୍ତୁ ନା ମତେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କଭର ଫର ପଛେ କହିବେ କହନ୍ତୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କହି ସାରନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ପଛେ ଦେଖିବେ
The
ସେ କେସ୍ ଟା ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ ଥିଲା
a case with regard to whether the employee is a covered under the provident fund is a consumer or not.
ସାର୍ एम्प्लॉइज प्रोविडेंट फंड अलगा एटा केस इशू अलगा
The same matter.
इंश्योरेंस रे
No, the insurance covered by the
ମୁଁ ମନା କଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏଠି ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟी ଗ୍ରୁପ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ବିଲକୁଲ କଭର୍ଡ ହବ କି ମନା କରୁନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
he will be part of the scheme
ଆଜ୍ଞା
he will be a consumer
ଆଜ୍ଞା
but here the question lies whether the officer the senior officer or the you can say this superior officer can he be you can he claim from him as a consumer
then the question of jurisdiction and question of the merit.
sir both question of merit maybe you have maybe a very good point on jurisdiction you have a big weak point
But so far as the jurisdiction point is that the district forum order has been confirmed in the appeal.
sir district forum itself wrong order pass karchi mu ko I have gone through this
And the appellate court has confirmed.
appellate court ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ bluffing order pass karchi ଆଉ କଣ କହିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ସବୁ order set କରିବି ମୁଁ ଏମିତି order pass କରିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ ଯାହା ଇଚ୍ଛା ତାହା ଯିଏ ଆଇଲା ଆଇଲା ତ କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ order pass କରିବ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଫୋରମ ଅଲଗା ଅଛି
That is the there he is a consumer.
consumer from the insurance company not
There is
from
no
block.
insurance company. My submission, and that is the consistent case of there is no insurance company. The government is himself the insurance.
କେମିତି ସାର୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କେବେଠୁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କାମ କଲା
That is the group insurance by the
ଗ୍ରୁପ
government.
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କିଏ କଲା
Government.
କୋଉ ଅଥରିଟି କାହା ପାଖରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି
They have paid part of
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ,
it.
କାହା ପାଖରେ
ସେ
କରିଛନ୍ତି
ବ୍ରିଫ ଟା ମୁଁ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ମେମୋ ବି ଦେଇନି
ହଉ ତ
ସେ
ଆପଣ
କିଏ
ଏମିତି
memo
ଆଉ
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ବ୍ରିଫ ନାହିଁ ଇଏ ନାହିଁ
କିଏ memo
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କେବେଠୁ
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଚଲେଇଲେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଅଛି ଗ୍ରୁପ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କରିବ ନା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କରିବ
They have
ତାକୁ
paid
କହିବା କଥା ଯେ
50%.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ଦବ
They have
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
paid.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ମାନେ କେତେ ବୁଝିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ବୁଝୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସି ସ୍କିମ ଟା ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
गवर्नमेंट जल ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस दिए गवर्नमेंट गोटे कंपनी संगे टाई अप करे तांका संगे नेगोशिएट करे जे हमर एतिकी एम्प्लॉय अछि एमानकर ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस आपण करिवे की गोटे इंश्योरेंस धरंतु XYZ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आइला ओरिएंटल इंश्योरेंस आसी पारे को प्राइवेट इंश्योरेंस आसी पारे LIC आसी पारे आउ के भी आइला तांका संगे नेगोशिएट हुई नेगोशिएट हला पर एम्प्लॉय हमें एते पैसा देबु ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस करंतु तापरे जेकी ସେମାନେ ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस करिवे दिस द स्कीम सर आ गवर्नमेंट को आपण इंश्योरेंस कंपनी चलुछ बोली कहले कि
they have paid 50 my
मु पे करे मना करूनी और क्वेश्चन हला can the government be held accountable for insurance flaw it is the insurance company
ମୁଁ ରେକର୍ଡ କହୁଛି କୌଣସି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ନାହିଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
ଭିଡିଓ ପାରିବନି ବିନା ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଆମ ଗ୍ରୁପ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ
କରନ୍ତୁ ନାଇଦର କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍
କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କପି ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର
ମୋ ବ୍ରିଫ ଟା ମିସ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ କପି ଦେବି ସେ ରିଟ୍ ଫାଇଟ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମତେ
ଆପଣ
ସିଏ ହାରିଛନ୍ତି
ହେଲା ଗ୍ରାମର କପି ନା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା
କପିଟା ନାହିଁ ଅଦରୱାଇଜ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ
ଆପଣ ବୁଲି ବୁଲି ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେନି
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
ନାଇଁ
ଆପଣ ବୁଲୁଥିଲେ ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେ ଏଠିକି ନା କଣ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟାଲି କେମ୍ ଇନସେକ୍ଟ
ନା ଫାଇଲଟା ରାତିରୁ କାଲି ଖୋଜୁଛି କାଲି ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ମେମୋ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କି
ସକାଳୁ ୟାଙ୍କୁ ମାଗି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ କପିଟେ ଇଜ ସୋ ଜେନରସ୍ ଇନ୍ ଗିଭିଂ କପିଜ୍ ଆଉ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କପି
I can collect from my lawyer.
କପିଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଇଦେବି
ଆଉ କାଇଁ ଏତେ ଫେର ଇ ବଡ ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇଦେବେ
2013 ମସିହାରେ ମୁଁ ପାଇକିନି ବସିଛି ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ଆଗେ
କପିଟା ଦେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଜେରକ୍ସ କରିଦେବି ନା
ଆସିବ
ଏ 2018 ମେ
13 ର କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ 13 ର କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ 75,000 ଟଙ୍କାର ଆୱାର୍ଡ ଜମା 75
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ କପିଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଫାଇନାଲ କରିବି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ବି ଯାହା ନେବା କଥା ଆଉ ଫର୍ଦର ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଆଯିବନି 13 ବର୍ଷ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଲୋକଟା ଆପଣ ଡିଲେ କଲେ କଣଟା ହବ ଦେଖ this the matter for final hearing on 5th no party shall be granted any kind of adjournment full stop ଆଉ ଯଦି adjournment ମାଗିବେ 50,000 ଫାଇନ ଦେଇକି ମାଗିବେ ହେଲା ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ नेक्स्ट डेट के एजमेंट मागिबे हेरा ओल्ड पीपल दे शुड
4 तारिख करूंता
आओ 4 फार नहीं
ना मु गोटे दिन आगुर कहूची
अच्छा
5 तारिख दिन प्रथम अष्टमी
नो प्रॉब्लम किछो 4 आगुर कहले मु कर देबी
ना ना
एक रे करबे करबे नहीं सब जान
3 दिन रबार अछि
जान तो ठीक है नेक्स्ट
जजमेंट 23
the interim order was there
interim order continue next और ये इंश्योरेंस ये जो कोनटा जो आपनकर district forum and state forum are creating havoc. I'm very sorry.
Next week, I will take instruction that implementation of the
Society Sikha matter, where I have been given out, though being appointed after the Rushika Gundan's case came into force, but 46%.
So why did you check that whether he is coming under that scheme or not?
Please,
why this matter is unnecessary?
Lordship, we have filed a IA
for what?
For to removal of withdrawal of 8 petitioners.
8 petitioners. Yes. Koda kontu 7 petitioners. Koda kontu.
Yes.
Diyantu. I
but it has not come to the record.
कोई बात नहीं आपण कहउछन तो आपण सबमिटर लेखि कर देबी वाला एते कथा नहीं विड्रॉ कर दे लिखि देबी तो विथ अनकंडीशनली लिखबी
कब लिखसु से earlier they already
देखो learn concept of the petitioner you are for petitioner
yes petitioner yes ma'am
को केस करले
in WPC number 314110
एडी कोड लिखिथिन
ऊपर लिखा है
ए गोटे खाली
ए राइजिंग आउट
अरे भैया को केस विड्रॉ करिवे
in that
ना ना पूरा में 7 जन सेतरे विड्रॉ करिया पई से देछन एफिडेविट फाइल करछन लॉर्डशिप
अच्छा अच्छा गोटे केस रे जे 7टा पिला उड़ी जिवे
आगे आगे
ठीक है दिस पीपल लिखि दे गोटे को लिखि दे द फॉलोइंग पिटिशनर्स ए केस रे
हां सही
31410 they want to withdraw themselves from the themselves to pursue the matter in future not to pursue the matter in future accordingly their withdrawal application allowed I will file in on the oral submission of the learned concept of the petition unconditionally and they don't want to press in future.
Interim order to be filed.
फिर कौन एंट्री मॉडल गला आउट हला
already
एंट्री मॉडल टू कंटिन्यू कर उज्जवल लोकर की एंट्री
ना
मॉडल
नहीं आयल
already
आउ रेस्ट
अछि
अच्छे
सेतरे आपण अलगा मान अछंती ना पुडी
ना
so अच्छा एंट्री मॉडल with respect to the above
other.
mentioned petitioners be is not crystal and shall not be actuated. Next. फिर कौन
continue other जो मैंने
There 7 people were कहली बाकी मान का ପାଇଁ मते कहली किछि जन को not naturally that they will continue
कंटिन्यू करिवो अदर
other मान का ପାଇଁ तो किछि कहली ना that will continue
ना नहीं नेक्स्ट डेट पे थिला टिल नेक्स्ट डेट पे
सर आपनकर गला ना आपनकर अलगा मान के मुंडे बिंदुछि आपनकर तो गला आपन आउट हेले आपनकर
ना आउट रे रिसाते 45 पिटिशनर्स आर दिया 7% गॉन
सर आपन बुझांतनी
आगे
मो कहली with respect to the above 7 interim order shall not be given effect to
अच्छा
rest of the people will get no problem सेटा लिखिबा दरकार नहीं understood next
टैग 24 होगा सही केस टाइम टैग केस रखस टैग ही केस से मैटर चित्र
okay
कंटिन्यू करछस ना
so let him take instruction learn council the state to take instruction regarding the applicability of Proceedings Bindhani case in the present set of cases. Okay, next. Now in this case, this the matter say 12 तक कर दी. Yes, 24.
And 24 in this case, I'm for OP number 5. Today I am appearing for.
You have OP number 5 किए?
General Secretary Sai Prasad Sahu.
General Secretary कहाँ रहो?
All India.
अपन आधा आधा कहीं
All India OBC Railway Employees
हाँ,
Association.
तो कोई भी ना पूरा.
All India OBC Railway Employees Association.
Okay. So what is the issue now?
That's it.
Upon petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner. That's it. Last occasion, during the course of hearing, I have submitted one written notice of submission.
Okay.
With one order that is from the authority.
इड़ा तो argument कर सकती है ना?
Yes, Lordship.
Only written submission दावे रखी थी ली?
Lordship.
नहीं.
Instruction पाइन थे.
Instruction की नहीं
Instruction.
I am for the railway.
Instruction कौन?
Here, matter what happened, there is a dispute between two associations
I know.
that went to the IGR. IGR is confirmed this is the right association, my petitioners association. Yes, he has submitted. He has submitted that order of the IGR on 3/7/2020.
Then what is the problem?
Along with the truth, he praised that may be circulated by the railway. But so far the railway is concerned, there is no such provision to circulate it.
So what should be circulated? The order.
That IGR decision regarding he is the right association.
तो आपण कर IGR decision आपण circulate करा करी हो तो रेलवे के circulate करिवो रेलवे की काम circulate के करिवो आपण निजे circulate करू
Recognize करिया को हमको रेलवे ही करिवो ना हमें
तो circulate का आपण recognize करू
सब आगुर भी से circulate कर
May I pray one thing, but the purpose will be solved.
IGR has recognized them.
Already recognized. Then may I pray one thing, my lord. This is the instruction of railway. In this regard, your lordship kindly see last paragraph, my lord. He has submitted the decision of the IGR through mail to the railway. In this regard, it is to mention here that the petitioner has submitted the above mentioned letter dated 3/7/2023 to the
compliance करी ना दिए
so compliance करना दी. Let the railway comply with the lordship.
I बुझिली
yes
land council the railway submit that since and submitted a letter from East Coast Railway issued on 22nd November 2023 wherein it has been mentioned that
this is today's letter.
हाँ ठीक है 22nd November 2023 wherein it is mentioned that the East Coast Railway has not taken any decision with regard to the compliance of the order passed by the IGR Cuttack. Dated कितने order?
3/7/2023.
3/7/2023 in.
He has
in case number कौन तू?
That is they have
in objection case number 88 of 2017.
In objection case number 88 of 2017.
Lordship.
Let the railway
take a
decision on the order and pass a reasoned order
within a stipulated period.
Within 15 days from today. Accordingly disposal.
Lordship, in that order.
The reputation can be disposed of now.
Lordship, in that order of the IGR, the subject was the implement of this honorable.
Sir, order mo dated kar deli na. Say order apne se bujhi.
Yes, yes, that will suffice.
This letter is.
Yes,
Hala. Eta rakhoge there. The letter of the East Coast Railway may be kept back.
Lordship, my appearance may be noted.
Okay. Next. Next.
Item 25.
25.
My lord, this is a petition wherein the petitioner has challenged that wrong implementation of the policy of survey, for which the petitioners are being
What is survey for what?
for drought. This was the drought affected area. It was declared as drought affected area, and
So
due
what
to
is the problem then?
I-
Declared as what?
is they have got a policy that has to be surveyed, the crop cutting survey, and this
On that day,
agriculture
there
officer.
is a matter from Jharsuguda district.
Yeah.
So I have examined the policy framework issued by the government,
Okay.
wherein how the government has formulated. It is a central government formula. So there say the crop cutting experiment that is done, that is with a statistical formula they adopt. And that statistical formula covers the lower level of the crop
exactly.
cutting, the least the productive area.
Exactly.
That the average is taken from the another
And
area. So that is so that's I don't think there is fault in that area.
I'm not saying that is fault,
Yeah.
and or that the implementation of that policy has been is faulty right
So
there in this
how?
place. That is I would like to draw your attention to page 38, wherein I have annexed 38 and 39.
Page 39.
38 and 39 both.
Yes.
They have gone for crop cutting in two villages.
Fasal bima kendra you paper cutting ro kon mana achi? Paper cutting I am not going to. This is not.
Not paper cutting. No, 38, 39 is.
This is not.
38, 39.
What is this?
Map
Map re kon jana padibo?
How
from the map it is?
I am coming to that. That the government should say that we are wrong. এটা কোন হইছে সার্ভে করিছেন সেমানে যে জায়গায় ডিপ বোরওয়েল গোটে আছে which is irrigated place. Borewell that has also been constructed by this government. And gote borewell এবং gote deep well. Seitu crop cutting kale. Jotu crop cutting kale obviously it's an irrigated area. Jitole crop cutting tame korujo. Result will come on according to that. Basing on that, you are declaring the entire block.
And the petitioner submit that the crop cutting, he doesn't have any dispute with the crop cutting expenditure. The crop
policy.
cutting experiment policy adopted by the government, but in the present case, he is agreed by the decision of the government to adopt a place as crop cutting experiment where there is
deep borewell
of deep borewell,
and another plot is
which automatically leads to a conclusion that the said area will have better crop cutting experiment. In that view of the matter, the faulty policy implementation by the district administration Balangir need to be rectified. Accordingly, let notice be issued to the who are there?
Notice issue hai notice issue.
Yeah, file reply. So in such view of the matter, the state government to file a detailed reply addressing this issue.
Exactly.
Okay. Addressing this issue. A copy of the order may be issued during the course of the day. Next.
Yes, specific date may kindly be.
Sorry?
Both the specific date.
After this crop cutting experiment, I have spent at least 4 hours, 5 hours study on this thing. I've gone through every detail of that. So now, like an agricultural expert, I can read that. I've read thoroughly that policy. I've read thoroughly agricultural policy, crop cutting expenditure. There is huge literature available in the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India website. So you go through that, you can understand. So that's why I have.
I'm only up to that point.
Otherwise, if you don't go into all these things, then you can understand the effect.
Exactly.
You always say, okay, whatever policy government is good. We have to find out. He has rightly pointed out if you that least productivity area fall under a well, bore well, deep bore well, then where the question of the right approach?
Assessment
Assessment will be wrong, na? Automatically. Yes, that's it. Posted to 7th. Okay.
26.
26. Non-appears? Yeah, appearing.
Please, your lordship. File one written notice.
So the matter was argued. Only written notice of mention you got. Huh? It argued is the
No, no.
Oh, okay, I did those. What is the issue? Tell me first.
No, the petition.
क्या सायक आपण कोण सिलेक्शन ହେଇଥିଲା?
Already have joined.
Joined. Then what problem कोण
Here, the 2011 advertisement was issued.
तो आपण सिलेक्ट हेले
Selected more candidates say reject on the ground of the Shiksha Shastri is not the equivalent to the state BD. Thereafter, the said
Shiksha
matter
Shastri is not equivalent to state BD. That's right.
Thereafter, this Hon'Ble Court adjudicated the matter and directed to give the engagement.
Then you got the engagement.
Now you
are continuing.
Now I am continuing.
Then what is the problem?
My fact is
past record.
मत्ते बर्तमान मु जेहेतु मिलर
Anticipating ना?
आया
जेतबेले आउ कोन आर्ग्यू करछंती anticipating करियो ना करे let them take instruction. Can he be anticipating?
Already counter दे दीजिए
and counsel the state to take instruction regarding the anticipating the present petition.
Similar motor junior पिलंगु भी regular
example दियंतु कि जो अछि यदि दियंतु
देइछि annex हां करिछि देइछि
Lord counsel the petition for the submit that some of the similarly placed persons have already been given appointment, given that say anticipating regulation. High Court देखिए हमरा
मोर counter ये rejoinder देइछि annex 8 page 10.
That is reflected in annex 8 of the rejoinder. Okay, you take instruction. Next, this is the matter on 21st December. Next.
27.
27. Okay, 27 after lunch break.
Reading your lot of by procedure stop. Well,
1st December कर दो. 1st December. Don't put in further adjournment. Okay.
1st December 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Oblige.
Next. Next.
Item 27.
27.
Yeah, please. Hello, this is regarding sanction of loan for establishment of goat farm.
Goat farm.
Goat farm.
केते लोन?
এটা 24,83,150 ଟଙ୍କାର ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ 2010 ରୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲା.
Which scheme, sir? Which scheme?
এটা କୃଷି ସହାୟକ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସ୍ପନ୍ସର କରିଛି. କୃଷି ସହାୟକ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ନୟାଗଡ଼ ସ୍ପନ୍ସର କରିଛି ନା to the bank for a sanction of the loan. I have deposited the margin money.
How much?
In time in the
How much is the margin money?
Margin ହଉଛି ଲକ୍ଷେ.
You deposited in which year?
1,80,560 ଟଙ୍କା.
You deposited in which year?
What?
Deposited amount in which year?
2011, December of 2011.
Then what is the problem?
এটা ମୁଁ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ତ ଜାଣିନି ମଝିରେ ATM ର ଉଠେଇ ନେଇଛି. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ I am ready to deposit the margin money. Bank may consider.
That is the only crux of the year.
How could you take?
ଜାଣିନି ଆଉ.
ଆପଣ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଉଠେଇ ନେବେ.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେ ATM ର ଉଠେଇ ନେଇ ପଳେଇ ମୁଁ ଆଉ deposit କରିବି.
ସ୍କିମ ର କ୍ରକ୍ସ ହଉଛି ମାର୍ଜିନ ମନି ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ଦେନ୍ ଦେ ଲୁକ୍.
Yes, yes.
ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଆପଣ ଉଠେଇ ନେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ? ବିଡି ପିଇବା ପାଇଁ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଲି ମୁଁ ଆଉ within a fortnight am deposit.
No, scheme is no one.
The scheme ଯେତେବେଳେ ନଥିବ କଣ?
2017 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଲେଖି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖି ଚାଲିଛି ଚିଠି ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟଙ୍କା ଲୋନ
ସ୍କିମ ଯଦି ନାହିଁ
ସ୍କିମ ପ୍ରତି ବର୍ଷ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋନ ଦଉଛି.
ପୁଣି ନୂଆ ସ୍କିମ ରେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ ଆଉ କଣ?
ଅଣ୍ଡର ନୂଆ ନ୍ୟୁ ସ୍କିମ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ.
ସେଟା that is a substituting order 2017 19 till
ଆଉ କେମିତି ହବ? ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଉଠେଇ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କି କଣ କରିବ?
ନା ସେଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ରିପିଟେଡ ଚିଠି ଅଛି 2017 18 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ.
Sir, that is not the crux. Crux is the scheme requires that you should deposit the margin money.
Yes, no.
And not unfortunately, you have taken the margin money
Yes,
out
ma'am.
of the deposit.
Yes, no.
So then how this scheme will be applicable to you?
No, I will deposit him alone within a short time.
Will deposit well after 11 to 2024 पहुंचलेनी हम.
पुणी स्कीम रे अछि सेमाने वेरीफाई करी टोटल ये करी के के
ओ आपण फ्रेश करंतु. Nothing पुराना हे परियोनी. जा करी fresh.
If any my lord pass order.
Lord concept of the petitioner submits that
Liberty दियो.
he has the Lord
2015 जाए
petitioner submit that the grievance of the petitioner is, in the writ petition is that under the state agriculture policy 1996 the petitioner has been selected for establishing a goat farm and he submitted there is a concept called rainbow revolution in Indian agriculture. That is agriculture is green, right? This fish is blue, oil seed is yellow. So there is this color in that way. There's a you have
Rainbow.
a
Taking into
rainbow.
consideration all these
That is the new agriculture thrust of the new agricultural policy. So under that they used to give this loan for this goatry, piggery, fishery, blah blah.
Yes,
blah.
yes.
Yes. So and under that scheme it is available. So whether that scheme is available or I don't know. If the scheme is available, then you apply.
Scheme नहीं, new scheme sir.
Okay, the petitioner has selected for establishing a goat farm and he submitted the proposal before the opposite party number 6. He further submits that earlier the petitioner has approached this court by way of filing the writ petition civil of 745 of 2015, which was disposed of on 21/1/2015, directing the authority to dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner. ସେତେବେଳେ representation dispose of ନାହିଁ ଥିଲେ ଏଟା ନଥାନ୍ତା ଖତମ ହେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା କେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ପାଇ ସାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଏଇ ତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
2015 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା 2011
to dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner after receipt of the order of this court. The opposite party number 3 has written a letter to the opposite party number 6 to sanction the loan in favor of the petitioner on war footing basis. The petitioner has already deposited the margin money 1,80,560 with effect from December 2011. But the opposite party number 6 is sitting about the matter till date. However, he further submits that admittedly he has withdrawn the deposit on different occasions. Hence, the margin money, the requirement of margin money was not complied with. Full stop.
In
As
2017.
In 2017. And at different point of time. In such view of the matter, the petitioner is directed to approach the bank with under the new scheme, if available. And the bank shall consider the loan
in accordance
in accordance with the law. Disposal. Fresh fresh. Avani. Purna scheme Ravani. Next.
ସେଟା କୃଷି ସହାୟକ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସ୍ପନ୍ସର କରିବା
ଏବେ ବି ମିଳୁଛି ଲୋନ୍ ଏବେ ବି ଦିଆ ହଉଛି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଏଇ ଲୋନ୍ ଟା କୃଷି ସହାୟକ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସ୍ପନ୍ସର କଲେ ହିଁ ଯାଇକି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦବ
ଆମର ଆଉ ଥରେ କରାନ୍ତୁ ପୁରୁଣା ଏଥିରେ ହବ କି ଓଲ୍ଡ ଗଲାଣି ସେ କାଳ ପଖାଳ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଏବେ ନୂଆ ପଖାଳ ହେଲା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ତିଥି ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସାର୍ ଚାଲିଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଯେ ଲୋନ୍ ଦିଅ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେ ସବୁ କଥା ଆପଣ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ରେଶ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଲେଖିଦିଅ. The petitioner to approach the concerned authority for the said loan, and if the concerned authority shall consider the proposal and send it to the bank. If the petitioner is eligible, otherwise, full stop. And if the bank receives such proposal, the bank shall consider sanctioning the loan in accordance with the law. Hala?
ସବୁ
କରିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ କଣ ସବୁ କହିଲେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କହିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଛେଳି ଏଠି ବାଣ୍ଟିବି ବସିକିରି ନା ଆଉ କଣ ଛେଳି କିଣି ଆଣିକି ବାଣ୍ଟିବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ ର ହିସାବ ଆପଣ ଫଲୋ କରିବେନି ପଇସା ଉଠେଇ ନେଇଯିବେ ମଝିରେ ଆଉ କହିବେ ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋର୍ଟ 28.
In this case, the petitioner received all areas and your lordship directed to serve the notice through police station, local police station.
Which one?
Sarpanch, and that worked. And they, after getting that notice, they have paid off all my arrears in this case. And my lord, in that read petition, they have not filing any counter. This is a case of Jogan Sahak, my lord, to be regularized. Because
Regularize.
Regularization of Jogan Sahak.
Jogan Sahak in the regularization.
I mean, yes.
Hindi.
Jogan Sahak can be regularized, my
କେମିତି
lord.
ଯୋଗାନ ସାର୍ ରେଗୁଲେସନ ସ୍କିମ୍ ତ ନାହିଁ ଏଟା ତ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ତାଙ୍କର ସେ କୋଉଠି ରେଗୁଲାଇଜ କରାଯାଉନି
Regulation not in
that sense.
not in government job, my lord.
That's what I'm saying, not in that sense. So what sense you want?
But that DPO has to approve the Jogan Sahak appointment, which is given by the Gram Panchayat.
So in case of instead of contractual, it should be regular in that sense.
In that sense, right?
Not a regularization.
Regularization,
Absorption
not
is not.
claiming any
Okay,
benefit
okay.
of job benefit.
So you just take
DPO has to give the
file counter. Land Council of the state to take instruction regarding the regulation of the Jogan Sahaka. Okay, next.
Your lordship is
Fixing a date for 7th.
my lord.
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
आगे ता पर
Oh, 14.
आगे.
Next.
29.
29.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the petitioner has settled his loan for from OP number 4, which has been settled, but NOC has not been granted till now.
Where for the bank?
My lord, for opposite party number 2, 3 and
Bank.
4. My lord, finance.
Bank na? आता कोड ना हाँ करो बैंक आयो पचर जो हाँ करो opposite party 2, 3 कोई बात संगे संगे ऐसे party की भी कोई वो है ना? This is the right minimum practice you should follow. So why are you not issuing the NOC?
Let me file counter.
Huh?
We will file.
Why do you need counter, sir? For issuing NOC, why do you need counter? Simply, if he has paid, just issue NOC. If he not paid, you ask for the money. If he is not paid,
it is settled.
If the account has already been settled, what prevents you to not to issue the NOC? क्या करिए?
10 days time.
Okay, Land Council petitioner is directed to take instruction as to why the NOC has not been issued despite the loan account has been settled by the petitioner and the bank. Full stop. And list the matter on fourth rasu. Allah nege propositively.
Your lordship ask counsel for the petition, counsel for the opposite.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
Sir. Opposite party.
And it is not
Opposite party bank kar
it is a financial
opposite party bank kar do.
Financial company.
Oh, finance NBFC. Kar okay.
Sundaram.
Sorry, Sundaram Finance. I'm so sorry.
Hi.
ଆପଣ ଏଟା ଭୁଲ ତ ଆପଣ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ରିଜନାଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆରବିଆଇ ଲେଖିଲେ ଭୁଲ ହବନି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହବ ସୁନ୍ଦର ମତେ ସେ ମେମୋ ପାର୍ଟି କୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ପୁଣି ହାତରେ
for that
opposite party 2 3 लिख दे जा 2 3 तो
2 3 4
2 3 4 जा take instruction
the lordship may fix up
fourth
deep flow right
next
Item 30.
30
In this case, I am appearing for the OP number 3 to 5. Today, I am filing my counter.
sir OP number sangre party na କହିବେ
Yes, madam.
this is compulsory
Opposite party number 3 to 5.
କିଏ
The party is.
କହିବେନି ପାର୍ଟି ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ତ କହିବେ ଆପଣ ଖୋଲିଲେ ଯେ ପାର୍ଟି
Yes.
ଆମେ ଖାଲି ଖୋଲିବୁ ଆପଣ ଖୋଲିବେନି ଭଲ
For I am appearing for.
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁ ଏତେ ଢିଲା ଢାଲା କରି ସବୁ ଏମିତି ହବ ଏମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଥିବ ଆଉ ଯାହାର ସେତିକି ଜୁନିୟର କାଉନସିଲ ମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଏତେ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବଢିଆ ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବତେଇ ଦଉଛି ଏମିତି
5 pilot.
Yes.
For that Kedar Sahu, Naba Sahu and Junu Sahu. Today I am filing my counter. I have already served the copy to the petitioner as well the LIC.
ଏଇଟା କଣ ପଇସା ଇଏ ପାଇଁ
With the credit, yes, ma'am.
କଣ ପାଇଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ଛାଡୁ
Well, here the issue involves that your lordship will appreciate. Here the issue involves if the policyholder dies, whether the LIC will disburse the amount in favor of a stranger or to the legaler and the
who
nominee.
is the stranger sir
The present petitioner is a stranger. If your lordship will.
who
It's a rival claim,
nomination
your
ରେ କାର ନା ଅଛି
My name, OP number 3.
ତ stranger କି ସେ କାମ stranger ହେଲା
Because,
petitioner is the wife of the deceased policyholder.
wife କେମିତି stranger ହେଲା
It's a rival claims. Petitioner claims
କେତେଟା wife ଥିଲା କି ଦୁଇ ତିନିଟା wife କି
my lord.
wife କେତେଟା ଦିଟା
Wife is not stranger. Wife is
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
wife.
କେତେ ଦୁଇଟା wife ନା ଗୋଟେ wife
Since they have not filed the legal certificate.
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଦୁଇଟା wife ଥିଲେ କି
ନାଇଁ।
ଦୁଇଟା wife ହେଲେ problem ଥାଏ ନା ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି when there are 2 wives then there is a problem one wife ତ no issue 2 wives then is a problem
But neither they have filed any marriage certificate nor with regard to legal if also will go through the entire REIT application. Neither they, that is.
you are the legally wedded wife
No. I am for the father, mother, as well as the for the brother who is the nominee.
Here, my lord, the.
Mother is the, as your lordship knows,
communist
mother is
elder-
the, ଆପଣ bank ପାଇଁ
I am for the.
bank ପାଇଁ କିଏ ଅଛି?
Bank,
I'm for
LIC.
LIC. ଆଉ sorry
For the
LIC ପାଇଁ
opposite
ଆପଣ
party, one and-
LIC ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ legal air certificate ମାଗନ୍ତୁ ଏଗଣି proportionally dispose କରନ୍ତୁ
Yes, exactly. Yes, my lord, my humble
ଯଦି
suggestion.
legal air ରେ ମାନେ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଯିଏ ନଥିବ ସେ ନଥିବ
Yes, I am agree also. Let them apply through IRDA procedure.
ମୁଁ
Consider.
କହିଦଉଛି ସିଧା ଠିକ ଲେଖ learn concept of the petitioner and other legal heirs ହେଲା should present the legal heir certificates before the LIC and the LIC shall consider disbursing the amount proportionately in accordance with the IRD guidelines ହେଲା
As your lordship repeated.
ଏଇଟା ତ ଆଉ କଣ
It's we are on a safe side because I'm just for a moment I am appraising a lot. In some cases, there are time barred cases, my lord. Section 45(4) provides.
ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କର ଇଏ କେସ୍ ପରା ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
It's a safe claim. It's genuine claim.
ସେଭ୍ କଲା ତ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା
It's not time barred. No suppression of fact is there.
ଦେନ୍ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ବାକି କଥା ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା
So, ଖାଲି IRD ଟା add କରିଦେବେ
କହିଲି ଗୋଟେ as per IRD guidelines ଆଉ ହେଇଗଲା
insurance securities.
ହଁ IRD guidelines ହେଲା according to the petition
Petitioner as well as opposite party.
Opposite party. all legal petitioner and all other legal heirs
Yes,
ହେଲା?
yes.
Petitioner and all other legal heirs who are who are the claimants
Yes.
who are the claimants for the amount deposited by the deceased with the opposite party company ହେଲା they are
As per IRDA procedures.
the opposite party the petitioner and the opposite parties the LRs to approach the bank with the legal heir certificates and the is that bank I'm sorry
LIC.
with legal heir certificates and the said OP shall disburse the amount in accordance with our IRDA guidelines.
IRDA procedure.
Guidelines.
Obliged.
Next disclosure. Next.
Item 31.
31.
31 on verification Mahapatra.
Huh?
One time for filing a rejoinder, my lord.
Rejoinder. कौन मैटर रहते rejoinder फाइल कुछ नहीं इच्छी नहीं से मैटर rejoinder काउंटर लंबे लंबे करी the petitioner to file the rejoinder list the matter on 19th December चला आके बढ़ो
Obliged.
next 32 पूरा चलिए
In this case, my lordship directed to serve the 4 extra copies. I have to.
you have got it. So you have taken instruction
I've already filed a counter affidavit today.
so you give him a copy
Just now.
give a copy and file a rejoinder and consider the petitioner has been served the counter affidavit today today in the court and learn consider the petitioner shall
Received 1, 2 only, and the remaining of.
This is
by the state लिख दो counter affidavit by the state लिख दो and learn consider the petitioner to file the rejoinder if any within 10 days from today. This the matter on 13th. Next. What is side of the project was it? That is sorry.
Sorry.
Next.
Item 38.
38. 38.
But here your lordship should notice to the opposite party.
Your father?
For the respondent, my lord. Respondent 1, 2, 3, Kunal Panda, Sampath Panda, and Sambit Panda. My lord, today I have filed Vakalatnama. Let it come after 2 weeks. For I will file counter.
अरे भाई এটা কেবেকার কেস কি কাউন্টার রিজেন্ডার করে পুনি টাইম লাগেলো আজি আজি ফাইল করছো নোটিস ফার্স্ট টাইম পাইছো
Yes.
ল্যান্ড কাউন্সিল the opposite party 2 weeks time to file the counter list the matter on 18th Rashi hala
Obliged.
Interim order में kindly.
interim order to continue 39 non appears list the matter on 15th December 40 सरिगला
40 टा
सरी है
similar to 30.
सभी है ना 41
Item 41.
आज्ञा ସେଥିରେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଦିଆହେଇଥିଲା ସେ କହିଲେ ଏ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆରେ ଅଛି କି ନା ନାହିଁ ଏ ଲୋକଟା ଆମର ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏଡ ଅଛି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ମୁଁ ପିଟିସନର
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ ମାନେ
ମୁଁ ପିଟିସନର ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ମୁଁ
petitioner
ଆଜ୍ଞା
so who was selected as the candidate
ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ନମ୍ବର 5 ସାକର ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ନମ୍ବର 5 ସେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦିବିତ କା ମାର୍କ ଅଧିକ
ମୋର ବେଶୀ ସବୁ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବେଶୀ?
କେବଳ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ
ସର୍ଭିସ ନଥିଲା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ହେଲା
ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଅଛି ରେସିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଅଛି
ଦେଲେ
ବାତ୍ୟାରେ ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ
2011 ମେଟର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କିଏ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି
ସେ 5 ସେ ଅପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ବୁଝିପାର କରୁଛି
ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାଇଁ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ବହୁତ
ସର୍ଭିସ ଏରିଆରେ ନାହିଁ।
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇ
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଆଉ ନେଇଥିଲେ 2011 ରୁ 2023
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ମୁସଲିମ ଏରିଆଟା ମୁସଲିମ ଏରିଆଟା ପିଲାମାନେ କେତେ କେତେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କେତେ ଡିପ୍ରାଇଭଡ ହେଲି
ଆପଣ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଖାଲି ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇନାଲ ଏଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ଦେଖେ on inquiry it is seen that she had applied for the post of AWW blah 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 submitting the residential certificate of the village Dubla Gadi which has subsequently been cancelled by the Tahsildar, but it is also known from the inquiry that the petitioner is not a permanent resident of village Dubla Gadi, which is coming under the service area of Dubla Gadi West AWC. Our permanent resident name report this. It is known from the local inquiry that her residence is whether Bahabalpur mini AWC as per the survey report prepared for the purpose, but by the order of CDPO Sadar R. Duglabadi given all service to her from 6/4/18. She was shifted Talabarai from 1/5/2020 Talabarai. It will enter her name and so with her children. At present, she is residing village Talabarai in Paraga GP so. That Srimati Khatun has managed to create Aadhaar card by mentioning the resident at village Dublagadi, which was detected wrong and ଆପଣଙ୍କ against ସବୁ report ଦେଇଛି
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଙ୍କ ପୂର୍ବର ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ସାର୍ ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ କୁ ମୁଁ ନେବି ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣିବି
ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ କହୁଛି ଲିଗାଲ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟଟା whether the ତହସିଲଦାର granted certificate order 6 ଯୋଉ miscellaneous certificate rule ରେ it is not cannot be reviewed without any ସେ order ଟା ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଦେଲେ your lordship will find definitely
ଏତେ କଥା ମୁଁ ଯାଉନି
ମୁଁ total series of document
ଏତେ କଥା ମୁଁ ଯାଉନି since there is a fresh report by the CDPO I'll accept this report I'll not go to
I cannot dispute it I also am not in the stage to bar this but facts remain how the circumstances the government department how do the mischief. Thereafter
we cannot have a lens to see sir who has done the mischief.
No, I am just giving the 2-3 documents. 2-3 before that. I'm unfortunate to that extent. My client is so much attached. Your lordship kindly see have a glance to from the because of the case adjourned because of the state council. Not for I have not taken any step any adjournment.
I'm okay.
Lordship. Reserve your lordship 2-3 document. 29 your lordship have take a glance. 20 your document that is 24 to page number 23. 23 is service area defined. 23
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଯୋଉ ତଳକୋଟ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା କୋଣ
ସେ ତଳେ ଅଛି annexure page 13
page 13
ଆଜ୍ଞା annexure 1 your lordships there para page 14 the relevant. May I permit to read it? Respondent number 3 CDPO Sadar appearing in the court contested 6 applications were received post of Anganwadi worker for the Dublagadi 1 Anganwadi center. In course of verification 2 applications has been cancelled prior to holding of selection committee. Basing on the objection raised by the respondent 5 regarding residence of the appellant, Tahsildar Basta requested to request sir para lordship kind page 14 only relevant person.
Yes,
para just para respondent 1 may permit to do it.
Yes, please.
The respondent number 1 or CDPO Sadar appearing in the court contended that 6 application were received from the post of the Anganwadi worker Dublagadi 1 Anganwadi center. In the course of verification of 2 application has been cancelled prior to holding of selection committee. Basing on the application raised by the respondent 5 who is the selected candidate regarding the residence of the appellant, Tahsildar Basta was requested to inquire and report. Accordingly, Tahsildar Basta filed letter number 8 intimated that appellant has no residential building within the service area of Dublagadi 1 Anganwadi center. Zulekha Khatun has secured highest mark among the rest candidates. My submission that your lordship have a glance to the annexure A by B. The government has filed the document. The cancellation of the chief because of the.
Sir, I am not going to any document. The latest report is.
Yeah, that your lordship. I have your lordship call for the report. That is
the latest report. I am passing order. So okay.
So your lordship have only to take in consideration that page 23 to 34.
Okay, next item.
Your lordship disposing of or?
To cancel, so lordship kindly take a note.
Number 6 was the
I
select.
reserve the order.
Order, the miscellaneous rule 7.
I am not going to.
Odisha miscellaneous rule 1984, 64, 84, rule 7.
Okay.
तहसीलदार तार अपीलेट से ऑर्डर टाइम में अपील हे परिबनी जोटा तहसीलदार ऑर्डर करछन कैंसलेशन सेटा भी अपील हे परिबनी
No,
no,
So-
could have filed an appeal.
Okay,
cannot
next,
be.
next item. I pass the order. I reserve the order.
reason everything is there.
Next.
The matter relates to disengagement of Anganwadi worker.
42.
42. Last occasion, your lordship has directed to obtain instruction in respect of the salary which was upheld not yet released.
क्या हुआ sir release क्यों नहीं करते?
On the last occasion that matter was listed on,
Taken.
no, we have sought for that, it has not come.
Land Council State 6. 1 week time to take instruction the matter. This is the matter on 8th December.
8 December.
Yeah. Next.
43.
43.
Last occasion I have received a counter. Miller 43.
You want to file the rejoinder?
43 Miller 40. Man, the counter it has been served Miller copy since March Miller. Since March your lordship.
आज रे अपना rejoinder file कर.
Government has supplied me a counter in last occasion. Miller government counter it is a rate of
Sir, supply kind word use करो. Just for your kind.
One week. Miller my application of stage.
Let him take 1 week. Sir.
You can fix up a date Miller.
Okay. Always I fix a date, sir. Everything.
Entry order में kindly continue.
Please, sir, no March Bazaar. Please, don't talk. Mother, इधर रखे वीडियो.
Order.
20. Seat 20 लगे थे ताने देने दो थी.
Better you should your lordship should use a hammer.
Hammer पुराना कालिया था. British system no.
Old
All
is
modern system.
Old is good.
British system is not old even.
Obliged.
Listen. Next.
Entry order में kindly continue.
हाँ सर एंट्री मोड तो कंटिन्यू करियो आपण कहले भी करियो ना कहले नेक्स्ट 43 43
45.
45 yes.
So whereas the present petitioner, the selection of the petitioner as Anganwadi helper in respect of Arapur Anganwadi Center has been reversed by the sub-collector.
आपण एटा केबे कर ऑर्डर रिवर्स हला
Again, reversal order type 2023 रो
23
again.
तापरे गले सब कलेक्टर पाकू
Again, sub-collector has reversed. Challenging that order, I have filed this.
तापरे जानदु एडीसी पाकू जानदु
Well,
23 एडीसी केबे कर ऑर्डर मार्च को मास
well, said that will not applicable to the present case.
ना केते ऑर्डर केबे कर
26/7/2023.
हां एप्लीकेबल तो काय
Revised guideline 15/3/2023.
हां
But the selection was made in the year 2019. So as
आपण ऑर्डर हिसाब रे जीवन ना सिलेक्शन केबे हेतु कंफर्म
I am governed by the old guideline, my lord.
सर एबे जो गाइडलाइन আছে তার অর্ডর হিসাব রে জীবন বুঝবে না
Order I will verify your lord.
23 রে অর্ডর
সেটা মই দেখিউ তাহলে
ওল্ড গাইডলাইন সিলেকশন ହେଇଛି
old guideline selection ହେଇଛି 2019
appeal ता
appeal কিন্তু procedural matter has to be
କହି ପାରିବେ ଆପଣ 23 ରେ ଯେହେତୁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଯେହେତୁ 23 ରେ ପାସ୍ ହେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କହି ପାରିବ so you can approach the
old guideline ତ କିନ୍ତୁ ନଥିଲା appeal scope old guideline appeal scope ନଥିଲା I will take instruction
the appellate second appellate authority which is RDC Katak.
So far as the helper is concerned, I am little bit doubt whether it is RDC or collector. I will also take instruction. Your lordship.
Okay, take instruction. Okay. List the matter on 6th. Next.
46.
Pardon me, Lord. That item 18, lordship fixed it to fixed it at 3.
What again?
Item 18. In town and never.
Oh, 18. Only.
My lord.
देखिले.
Item 18.
कौन
No specific allegation against him, against all, my lord. All, my lord. He has stated all have tortured, all have demanded dowry, all have assaulted. Not specifically against her, my lord.
If not specifically, then that can be why she unnecessarily she can be tortured. Okay. Order is up. Next. Next.
Item 46.
May I please, Your Lordship? I am filing the rejoinder, Lordship. Formally, the Lordship may take up the matter.
Filing?
Regender affidavit, a small affidavit I am filing.
Give me a copy. Filing it kadi. You have filed or you are filing?
Just now he
You can't file here. Sorry, you go file the counter.
Next
Consider
week
the
as
petitioner to file the regender during the course of the day. It is the matter on 6th.
copy ta de dechi bole
Ah.
mention hai jawab.
Next.
Item 49.
49. 49.
May please, Your Honor Lordship. I am
49.
I am
Please, your lordship, my lords.
I am
Yes,
for
have
the
the petition.
as per the instruction of High Court, the victim has present before Your Honorable to give grievances on the strength of the criminal division at 250 by 2022. In this
Please,
case,
your lordship, my lords. Your lordship had on the last occasion issued notice to the opposite party. They have appeared today. That is what.
Opposite party. Huh?
Again.
What is the case?
Here I have challenged the rejection of my discharge application on the grounds that none of the ingredients of the offences which are made out in the FIR are
What is the
categorical.
offence?
Offence is under 376 millards. That is the prima facie offence. As well as there is offence under section 417 and 31.
So what is the ground for your discharge?
Your lordship may see the 164 statement.
What is that?
I had categorically placed before on the last occasion the victim or the opposite party Henen is a married lady, and I have annexed it at page 22. That is the 164 statement. ମୁଁ ଏହା ବୟାନ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯେ ମୋର ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କ ନାମ ହେଉଛି ସୋଏନ୍ସୋ। ଆମର ବିବାହରକୁ 15 ବର୍ଷ ହୋଇସାରିଥିଲାଣି। ଶେଷ 3-4 ମାସ ଧରି ମୁଁ ବାପୁନ ସାହୁ who is the present petitioner ମିଲର୍ସ ଚିହ୍ନିଲି। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଦୋକାନକୁ ଯାଉଛି ଜେରକ୍ସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ତାଙ୍କର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଦୋକାନ ଅଛି ଏକ୍ସେଟ୍ରା ଏକ୍ସେଟ୍ରା ମିଲର୍ସ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ପେଜ ଭେରି ରେଲେଭେଣ୍ଟ। ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ଦେଖା ହୋଇ ଆମେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ପରସ୍ପର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବରରେ ଦିଆନିଆ କରି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରିଲୁ। କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ସମୟରେ ପରସ୍ପରକୁ ଭଲ ମଧ୍ୟ ପାଇଲୁ। ସେ ମୋତେ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଡାକନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୋ ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କୁ ମିଛ କହି ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଟିକରପଡ଼ା
ଲାଇନ କୁ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଯାଏ। ଫଟାଫଟ ପଢାମ। ଓଡିଆ ପଢିଛ ତ ଇଂଲିଶ ପଢିଛ?
English medium
ଓଡିଆ ଡେଲି କରୁଛ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କେସ୍।
hand written
ଦେବି ଦେବି
ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି
ଫଟାଫଟ ପଢା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
You take a Shabala Madhubanna both.
I'll ask my learned senior to place before you so that it is convenient.
No.
He is the petitioner.
ओडिया जाने को पड़ी। ये खसीला होने।
It will take some time. Then your lordship will bear with me.
Bear with me. You read it.
ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଟିକେ
ଲାଇନ
ମୁଁ ମୋ ନିଜ ଇଚ୍ଛାରେ ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ମୋ ନିଜ ଇଚ୍ଛାରେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ place all those ingredients from the
that is for bail only.
So far as the discharge application also
for discharge application that may not be good judgment.
Milords, if your prima lordship will see prima facie
Yes,
that there is no
madam,
ingredients. Because
what do you say?
Your Honor, the victim says that the
Is it not a fact that both of them had consent?
No, sir.
It is a consensual. Your statement says.
Your
Your statement says, madam.
स्टेटमेंट अच्छी जे तार विक्टिम कहवा अनुसार जे मते कोर्ट बाहर से थ्रेटनिंग करी गला जदी एई कथा तू न कहबू कोर्ट आगे एई से एई
कथा से कथा आपण स्टेटमेंट देई छंती आ
not able to contact him. So let it come next week. I'll get that instruction.
ISC. What's the plan comes to the state? 6 1 time to file the to open the instruction from the ISC. ISC kota ko ISC?
ISC Odava.
Odava. District Nayagarh.
Odava.
Release the matter on 12. Next.
Item 52.
52.
I am for the opposite party wife.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, in compliance with the order dated 8/11/2023, my lord, the petitioner has already paid the The 10,000, my lord. My lord may allow 1 week time, my lord.
Yes.
May I place my lord? I am the opposite party wife.
My lord, in compliance to the order dated 8/11/2023.
ସେ ବୁଝିପାରିବେନି ତାକୁ ବୁଝେଇ ଦେ ପଢିକି ବୁଝେଇ ସେ ବୁଝିପାରିବେନି. Yes.
My lord, in compliance to the order dated 8/11/2023, the petitioner has already paid rupees 10,000, my lord.
May I
Now,
submit?
what are you doing?
It comes to 1,20,000 pursuant to Lordship order kindly see 22/8/2023. I am reading as an interim measure there shall be stay of order dated 10/12/2021 subject to the petitioner depositing a sum of rupees 5,000 per month being computed with effect from 10/12/2021. Lower court hour at 13,000. I have a small kit of 2 year. Bhadagar Roji, in spite of Lordship direction on 12/22/8/2023, as well as 19/10/2023, as well as 8/11/2023. Out of 1,20,000, they have only paid 10,000. And your Lordship specifically directed to pay 5,000 rupees per month and also directed.
So you have not paid that?
No, my lord.
My lord, have already paid on 8 November.
ଆଜ୍ଞା 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ସେଟା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କେତେ
ଲକ୍ଷ 20 ରୁ 10,000
କେତେ
ଟଙ୍କା
ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
My lord, 10,000.
10,000 ରେ କେମିତି ହବ?
ଆଉ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭଡା ଘର
ଆପଣ କଣ
ରହୁଛି
କରନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
My lord, jobless, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଯିଏ ହେଲେ ସବୁ ଜବଲେସ୍ କେମିତି ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ସଡନଲି ଏଠିକି?
My lord,
ଏଠି ଯିଏ ବି ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଆଇଲା ବେଳେ ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ କଲେ ଜବଲେସ୍। ଏ ସତରେ ଜବଲେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ରଡ ଚାଲିଛି।
no, no.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଜବଲେସ୍ ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ପଇସା ଦେବେ ବାସ୍ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବିନି।
ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟେ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
କେତେ 10,000 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ 50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ 5,000 କହିଛନ୍ତି ପରା
ମିନିମମ୍ 50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ
ତାପରେ ଶୁଣିବି।
ଏଇଠି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ 13,000 କୁ 5,000 କହିଲେ ପରା ଆପଣ
50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଶୁଣିବି।
My lord,
ପିଟିସନର ଆପଣ ତ?
my lord.
Petitioner directed to pay 50,000 within 10 days from
No, my lord, some more time, my lord.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
My lord, some more time. My lord,
Nothing doing.
my lord, he has no.
ଆପଣ 50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ କଥା ହଉଛୁ। 15,000 please the matter on 11.
My lord, we do one month, my lord.
Nothing.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ଦେବାକୁ
22/8 ରେ ଆପଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି 5,000
ଆପଣ
ଟଙ୍କା
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
13,000 କୁ 5,000 କରିଦେବେ ଆପଣ
ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ ଦେବା କଥା 50 କରୁଛି।
My lord, he is a jobless, my lord. He have no source of income.
ସବୁ ଜବଲେସ୍ ଆଗରୁ କଣ କରୁଥିଲା ଜବ୍ ଟା କଣ କରୁଥିଲା?
Nothing, my lord. He is assisting his father, my lord.
ଜବ୍ ଆଗରୁ କଣ କରୁଥିଲା ସେ?
Nothing, my lord.
ନଥିଂ ମାନେ?
My lord, he is totally jobless, my lord. He is only assisting his father business.
What is the father?
His father is having a shop, my lord.
He shop.
I will take instruction, my
ନା
lord.
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
କିଛି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କି ସବ
କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ତାଙ୍କର
କେସ୍ ନେଲା ବେଳେ ସବୁ କି କାମ করে କୋଉଠୁ ପଇସା ଇନକମ୍ ଜାଣିବେନି ଆପଣ। This is strange.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମର 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା କହିଥିଲେ
ମୁଁ କିଛି
13,000
ଜାଣିନି
କାଟିକି
50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ବାସ୍ ବାକି କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ
My lord,
let
one
him
month.
pay 50,000 within 10 days nothing else let the next date ପକେଇ ଦିଅ 7
My lord, 20 days, my lord.
next item no nothing
by
okay
demand not by check
ହପ୍ତା ଦେଲେ 15 let's list the matter on 14th ହେଲା 14th
by demand up not by check check ଆଜ୍ଞା bounce
of
ହେଇଯାଉଛି
course not check demand by DD ହେଲା demand draft by way of demand draft next
My lord, the petitioner is already paying maintenance, my lord.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବିନି ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ନା ନାହିଁ
My lord.
ବାସ୍ ଦୟା କରୁନ
ନହେଲେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତଳକୁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଫେସ୍ କରିବେ କାଇଁ ଷ୍ଟେ ରହିବ ଆପଣ ଆଜି
ଆପଣ
ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ
ଦେବେ ନା
ଅଫ୍
ନାହିଁ
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନହେଲେ dispose
ପଇସା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ କରିବା
Petitioner will pay, my lord.
ଜଲ୍ଦି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପଇସା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆଗେ
ଆରେ ଦଉଛି ଭାଇ 2 ହପ୍ତା ତ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
3 ଥର ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର କଲେଣି
ନଦେଲେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ନଦେଲେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି
My lord.
ନହେଲେ ତ କେମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ଦେଖିବେ କେତେବେଳେ ମତେ ଦୋଷ ଦେବେ
My lord.
50,000 ଦେବେ
13,000 ରୁ 5,000 ଆପଣ କଲେ
ସାର୍
ତାକୁ ବି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ନା ଆପଣ let him pay we also understand that also ତାହେଲେ କାଇଁ ଝଗଡା ଲାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଯାଇକି ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଝଗଡା କଣ ମୁଁ
ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯାଇକି ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କୋଉଟା
ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯାଇକି ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
କଣ ଦେଇଦେବି
ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯାଇକି ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁଛି
କିଏ ମନା କରୁଛି ତାହେଲେ
My lord, wife, my lord.
ଭାଇ ମନା କରୁଛି ବୁଝିଲୁ ହଁ
ମୁଁ ତ ମନା କରୁଛି ମତେ ପଛେ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଏଭର ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ବାଇ ଦ ଲୋଅର କୋର୍ଟ ଆଜ ୱେଲ ଏଜ ଦିସ୍ କୋର୍ଟ 13,000 को आप 5,000 कले ताकू भी दौना
ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
कौन तक डिस्प्यूट है मेडिसिन कले जना पड़े कौन है ता
ମେଡିସିନ
डिस्प्यूट
କରିବେ ଆଉ 50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଇଟମ
आइटम 53 नला पर्सनल अपियरेंस कर दो दी जन नेक्स्ट डेट
କିଛି
आसन
ନାହିଁ ପରେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆଗ ପଇସା ଦିଅ ତାପରେ 53 non APS list the matter on 15th December 54
LCR has not come as per the noting. LCR has not come as per the noting.
LCR, your lordship may kindly see for a moment.
LCR asi
It is not required. You lordship may kindly.
sir record ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନା
Asu,
LCR ଦେଖିବ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଥିଲି
LCR is not required.
sir
I will satisfy your lordship.
ଆସୁ
ସେ objection file କରନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ
ଆପଣ LCR ଟା ଆସୁ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି
What revision is not maintainable.
ଦେଖିବି ତ ଟିକେ
Revision, yes.
let
No,
me
no,
have my
I-
own satisfaction
Why, my lord, your lordship is correct, absolutely correct.
I have to have my
But fact remains that revision is not at all maintainable.
ଦେଖିବ
Why, my lord,
Asu.
your lordship may kindly see. In my lord, your lordship may kindly see for a moment.
let it come next week.
Your lordship may kindly
sir
see.
ମୁଁ ଏସବୁ
Page
କହୁଛି
il-
ପୁଣି ଆର୍ଗୁ କାହିଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
Page-
ଆସୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ କରିବେ
next
ସେତେବେଳେ ଟିକେ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗନ୍ ପାଉଡର ରେଡି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦିନ ଆଉ ଫୁଟେଇବେ ଯେତେ ଫୁଟେଇବା କଥା ନେକ୍ସଟ
A short date may be given you.
7th next
55
55 yes
Sir, I am the revision petitioner, Sri Suresh Chandra Swai. And the opposite party has not appeared so far. The counter is not come.
NI Act opposite party appearance is required.
serve ହେଇନି notice
Please, sir.
ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦିଅ ଦେଖା Lord Constable, sorry, the respondent has not appeared to any advocate or personally. Let a last chance be granted to the respondent to appear in person or through advocate in the interest of justice. List the matter on 13th December. Next.
30th December.
13th 13 30th छुट्टी sir.
Thank you.
50
Item 56.
Item 56 against conviction under section 130 of the NA Act and SI for 3 months. And I was given interim bail subject to deposit of 5 lakhs. I've deposited 5 lakhs and same was withdrawn in favor of the respondent. You'll also keep it after some days when I with my
January ରଖି ଦେଇ ଛୁଟି पर ଆସୁ
ରଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
3 lakhs to 5 lakh ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି let him pay at least 5 lakhs more, my lord. Out of 23
No, you
lakhs
will ultimately decide the matter. I am not on the way. Let's keep it up to some days.
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ବଦଳ ଅଛି
5 lakh ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ check amount ହଉଛି 16 lakhs amount amount. Check amount ହଉଛି 16 lakhs 82,000.
60 lakh
16 lakhs
5 lakh
82,000.
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ 5
500
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
500
ଆଉ 5
crore.
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ 5 ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
let's
in the
keep it.
meantime another 5 lakh
No, whether he is capable to this money I will trying to
capable or पैसा
no, this money
courts will
this money
High Court
no I could consider
sir
this morning I was trying to contact the trial court advocate from Kantamanji. I could not able to contact him. Let's keep it next week any day and I will take instruction whether
both the courts will
ultimate
he has
no,
lost
that is confirming judgment. I do admit well.
revision scope
5 will ଆପଣଙ୍କ total 5 lakh ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆହୁରି ଆଉ ବାକି 6 lakh
decide ହବ
Let's keep it next week any day. I will take instruction.
okay Lord Counsel petitioner to take instruction regarding the payment of the rest of the amount
of 5 yes
and list the matter on 4th
Also that petition be released on regular well. Extension ହେଇଥିଲା last through.
interim order till then
to continue ହେଲା
till then well yes
till the next date
Let's keep it next week.
हां 6 तारीख लो
next 4
As you know.
57 instruction ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ये you are for the petitioner
I am for the opposite party
He is for the
petitioner
opposite party
yes
Yeah.
he has taken money from you
yes sir
Oh, some pedi was given.
naturally
and
you pedi some
ready or cotton
pedi or cotton.
ready
Yeah.
and these people deal in cotton also I know
Yes,
this.
yes, madam.
Personally I know both of them
Yes, yes,
from
madam.
distance of course
Yes, yes, yes.
personally I am not close but I know
they
their
have enough
business.
money
Yes.
for that they have enough money
57
57 Malaj. I am entering appearance on behalf of the opposite
sir
party.
18
Malaj. As Malaj.
counter rate
20th week, 20th December.
20 Malaj, sir, short date may kindly be fixed.
you are for whom
For the opposite party number 1.
petitioner the nahi apna kon asila
Malaj, sir, since he has taken bail and stay of the realization on that.
ଆପଣ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ନେଲା ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ତ बेल से भीतर रहले आपन फायदा
No, no, bail, nahi,
तो
but
फिर आपन
the realization of the amount has also been
केते
said, my
amount
lordships.
केते amount
1,24,000 as I see from the last order, my
आसु
lord.
ऑर्डर आसु देखियो
Well, sir,
28
20th December.
20th December हा अल्प दिन अछि
As my last. Grateful.